and good morning. Happy Friday, guys. Happy Friday. A little bit of a not quick stream, quick start to the stream today. Because we're liking the way the market is looking like. We're kind of liking it. All right. Now, I didn't know, I do know yesterday I did say that today might be choppy due to Opex, but this open is actually looking like one of the best opens that we've had all week. All right. So we're gonna try to work something off this real quick today. All right. Let me see. Starting up the live trading. All right, so here, let me start up the live stream real quick over in the premium because we might have a trade here, and I want to explain it as soon as possible. All right, there we go. Anyways, but yeah, guys, good morning, happy Friday. Hopefully today's a quick day because I'm going to explain why in a second. All right, let me start up the live stream. Yo, okay, real quick, guys, real quick. We haven't had a quick stream like this in a minute, but you guys see what I'm seeing. All right, guys. Now, before I explain the setup, it looks looking a little bit risky because we're breaking a little bit of our rules, but I'm going to explain why. All right, guys. Now, coming into market open, what is the first thing we're looking at? Well, we took out the internal lows. All right. Now, there is a reason why the market is selling off, but there's also a reason why I'm going to be bullish, right? Now, the whole reason the market is selling off is because we swept the Asia high that we created yesterday, which will be at this high up here. All right. We have an Asia high up here at 235. I'm sure you guys remember it. All right, guys. Now, we went ahead and took out this high and completely sold off. Why? Because we took out the high, we swept liquidity, and we went back down into the sell side. Now that we took out sell side, you guys got to keep in mind that we also created a new high at this London high up here. All right. Pretty much leading me to think, hey, maybe the whole reason the market sold off was to take out this low. You know what I mean? We created some fair value gaps on the way up that we could probably use to take out. You know what I mean? We could trade into it. All right. Now, it's a little bit risky because obviously you guys got to keep in mind we did just end up we took out buy side liquidity and we also took out sell side. And you guys know, typically I don't really trade that, especially with us having Opex today. The only reason I'm liking this today is mainly because we have a lot of volume into this open. You guys know literally every single day this week has been a PM type of session. You know what I mean? Like the trades have been happening throughout the PM session. So today could be different. You know what I mean? So we're gonna see what we can do here. Now, obviously, we still are getting some selling. People, some of you guys are mentioning we have news at 9:45, which I don't think we do. Oh, we do, yeah, we do actually. 9:45, yeah. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna wait for that regardless. But we're gonna see what we can do here. All right, guys. Now, the more liquidity to the downside we take out, the better. Obviously, now if the market continues to sell off throughout the entire morning, then you know what I mean, it's gonna stay as a cash day. All right. Here, let me put out the stream. Now, one thing that I do have to tell you guys is today's stream. I know usually we stream to like 12, but I completely forgot I had to go take a flight today after the market closes. The problem is that like it takes off at 5 and I haven't even packed up, so I have to get that done. My clothes is in the laundry and everything, so yeah, I gotta be quick today. Right? So I'm gonna see if I could stream today to like 10:40, maybe 11. Hopefully, the faster the trade, the better. But I gotta take care of that as well. So we'll see. Bro's no, bro, I completely forgot, bro. My mom texted me today. She's like, "Remember, we're leaving at 2." I'm like, "What? What do you mean at 2?" She's like, "Yeah, we gotta leave the house at 2." Bro, I look and bro, all my clothes is in the laundry in the dryer. I don't know how I'm gonna do that. I'll figure it out. That's not important right now. All right, guys. Anyways, so as you guys see, obviously we do have some selling coming in. It's looking pretty good. Obviously we want to make sure that if we're sitting off like this, we let's at least take out this London low. You know what I mean? Or it's my cousin's birthday, so we're gonna go celebrate it with her. So we're there for her. But yeah, I'm just gonna be gone over the weekend. It's not gonna be anything crazy. But yeah, anyways, guys. So in this case, so far, I mean, this candle has sold off about we can say 70 points. But this candle is gonna close in 1 minute, and we need to make sure that the selling actually holds down. All right, why? Well, like I said, guys, not only do we want to create a fair value gap down here, because if we take out this London low, we don't have to wait for any push up. We could just take the longs like this. All right. Thank you, by the way. Thank you. All right. So yeah, I want to make sure that we can hold down this gap around this range, and then we could just look for an entry around 133 if this gap holds, which it's trying to. You know what I mean? It's definitely trying to. All right. So like I said, today's gonna be a day where I want to try to get an early entry. Keep in mind we do have news at 9:45, so our entry, if we take out this London low, our entry could be off the news candle. So we'll see. We'll see. Bro, Trump is speaking. That's why he's dumping. Is he speaking right now? He never usually does it in the mornings. He usually does it like in the afternoons. Is he speaking right now? Okay, so wait. In the meantime, guys, he's speaking now. Oh shit. Anyways, guys, we do have this gap right here. This small gap. I'm fingers crossed we can hold this gap because it will be the best entry that we could possibly get. Um, I don't want to say that the market has its reason to push up just yet. Mainly because obviously we have this London low that we could take out and work from, and you know what I mean. It's kind of acting like a magnet for now, right? But keep in mind this candle just opened, and we have to hold this gap down for the next 5 minutes, which is going to be hard because this gap is really really small, and all it takes is one small push up. All right, so we'll see, we'll see. All right, guys. But yeah, let me see something. I'm surprised the London low has not been taken out. I mean, it's 10 points away from the London low. We have so much selling. I don't know why we haven't taken it out. That's weird. Anyways, YouTube, by the way, what's up, guys? What's up, guys? Let me see. PM. I know, guys. I know. Let me see. Restart. There you go. Look at ES. Don't tell me it's chopping. What the hell? Oh, hell no, it's not chopping. This thing is nice. Okay. Yeah, no, we can work off anything here. Like I said, guys, I know I told you guys that. I just hope we don't reverse it, guys. This entry right here would be the best entry of the week. You guys do not understand. If we can hold down this gap for 3 minutes, this entry would be the best entry of the week. You guys don't understand. The setup looks amazing. The only con is there's so much volume in the market that it takes one, I promise you guys, one little push up and the entry is gone. You know what I mean? So I don't want to have to deal with that. And from the looks of it, we're probably probably not gonna have the setup. We're right there. But who knows? Who knows? I mean, ES is trying to push up. It has every reason to. We took out all the lows. But guys, if somehow or some way we hold down this gap for the next 3 minutes, we're gonna have the best entry of the week. In my opinion, this will be the best entry of the week. But I have my doubts. I really doubt this is gonna hold up. It's such a small gap. There's so much volume. All it takes is one little buying interest, and we're done for. All right. Now, guys, I know we have news at 9:45. Obviously, we're waiting for the news to come out. But we'll see. We'll see. All right. We'll see how that goes. So today's gonna be it's gonna have to be a quick day. And we might have to trade into news, which is risky. So if we do get an entry today, keyword is if we do get an entry today, it's going to have to be extremely light. I'm not risking anything during news. I'm not trying to do that. Now, I'm not gonna say that the news is gonna be what's it called? Slow, because it's a red folder. But we'll see. We'll see. All right, guys. We will see. Now, we still have 1 minute and 40 seconds to this candle. We're still so close to filling it. I have my doubts. I have my doubts. I don't think this is gonna hold. If anything, worse comes to worse, we're gonna have to find an entry up here, which is about it's about actually not too bad. It's about 50 points from our entry, which it's not horrible. But I don't want to wait 50 points. I would much rather enter now and catch 50 points. You know what I mean? But yeah, no, this candle's turning green. It's not good. It's not good at all because all we have to do is pump up 13 more points and the fair value cap is gone. Yep. I told you guys. I have my doubts on this one. As good as it looks, maybe it looked too good and it just didn't want to hold up. But I mean, so far, I mean, just I don't want to. I want to close my eyes. You guys don't understand. I don't want to see how this holds up. Yep. ES is pushing up. Let's see NQ. Oh, there it is. There it is. There it is. There it is. There's the gap. We still have it. We still have it. We still have it. But it's 40 seconds. 40 seconds, guys. 40 seconds. But we'll see. Anyways, if we don't get this gap, I mean, we can always use this one up here. It'll probably be better either way. But I really do want to trade this one. I really do like this one. Now, keep in mind, guys, we do have news in 30 seconds. So have your finger on the buy button if we do get this entry. I really, really like it. Like, I really, really like it. But we don't know how it's gonna hold up. We really don't know. Here, let me kind of have everything ready here. I'm nervous. I'm nervous. So news is coming out literally right now. Let's see. Let's see. Because if we do get this inverse, guys, I feel like remember I'm gonna size light if we do take this. Let's see. We have the gap, which I didn't think we'd have, but we have it. Now let's see how PMI comes out. Buying is coming in pretty strong, which is a really, really good sign. Okay, there's the inverse. All right, guys, I'm gonna enter here, guys. I'm gonna enter here. Remember, I'm taking this super light, guys. Please take this with the risk that you guys don't really care about losing. Because obviously, remember, guys, we're trading news. It's extremely risky. But the way the setup is lining up and the way the volume is coming up, I really, really do like it. So I'm gonna risk it. I'm gonna risk it. Now let's see how this holds up. Let's see how this holds up. Let me see. Wait, the PMI, I'm pretty sure PMI came out already, right? Did it? Yeah, it did. It did. Okay, so yeah, we should start seeing a reaction. If it did come out bullish, we'll see the reaction. Remember, guys, I took this extremely light. Extremely light. Keep that in mind, guys. Keep that in mind. But so far, like I said, the way everything is looking like, I'm kind of loving the market. So as long as we hold above this gap, we should be good. Let me put this alert out. There it is, guys. Right? By the way, I got to fill at 36. I don't know if I said that. I think I just said I was in. But let's see. We need ES to obviously hold above this. But we're going to see how that goes. We're going to see how that goes. So far, the way the buying is looking like, guys, I love it. Love it. Chef's kiss. Chef's kiss. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Let me see something. All right, there you go. Anyways, I wasn't even paying attention to the chart. We saw a little bit of green here for like about almost 10, 20 points. I didn't really get a chance to trim. I was expecting higher. I'm expecting higher. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Guys, if we break above, I'm gonna say like 155. Start looking for some trims there. The whole reason I'm saying start looking for trims early is mainly because NQ has a lot of buying strength, which is amazing. But the thing that's worrying me is ES is not holding up this inverse so well. And obviously, you know what I mean? We need both NQ and ES to be holding above the inverse. All right, guys. So like I said, try looking for some trims above 155. That'll be pretty nice, I would say. Pretty nice. But yeah, look how ES is holding compared to NQ, which is worrying me a little bit. It is worrying me a little bit because everything is bullish. Not should be bullish. Everything is bullish. But ES is kind of struggling there. All right. So, and by the way, if you guys want to take trims earlier, go ahead, be my guest. But me personally, I want to wait for a little bit higher just because the trade just looks so good. I obviously want to put how is it? The money where my mouth is? Some shit like that. But yeah. We'll see. All we need, guys, is just for ES to break above this high, and we're chilling. That's all we need. ES is the one thing holding us down from going any higher. All right, because the SMT is there. Do I have water? I don't. All right. What's an SMT? Okay, so for those that don't know, typically NQ and ES usually they should be following each other. But there's gonna be times where NQ could be bullish and ES could be bearish, just like this. You see what I mean? That's what I'm telling you guys. We need ES to kind of push up. Now ES is trying to break lows, and we can't have that happening. All right. So hopefully this doesn't mess anything up. Fingers crossed this doesn't mess anything up. Because this setup looks amazing. In my eyes, the setup is beautiful. It's just if ES holds us down, that could be a really, really bad thing. Really, really bad thing. Bro, I'm gonna be so mad if ES stops us out. You guys don't understand. We'll see. We'll see. Because the one thing that we needed, NQ had the strength, NQ had the buying strength. Is just that ES can't hold. It's not really holding above this inverse, which is what we need. That's the one thing we need. But if we do have to find a re-entry later on, we're gonna have to find that. Yeah, no, sellers are stepping in way too strong. ES messed us up. Let's see. Our stop loss is about to get hit. No way. We just, bro. There it is, guys. Yeah, I got stopped out for small on this one. Bro, there's no way ES messes setup up. No way. Let me see. I got stops for small. I'm not too mad about that, but bruh, there's no way ES messes up that much. Bro, how are you guys feeling? How are you guys feeling? It was a good trade. It was a really, really good trade. We were holding it up beautifully, but ES fucked us up because of this inverse. Now, I'm not too mad about it. Obviously, I'm going to look for one more re-entry going forward, but just not now. Obviously, if anything, we're going to have to wait for this one, and we're going to have to wait for a little bit more confirmation. But bro, I'm not too mad about it. That trade was amazing. But bro, ES fucked us up bad there. Man. Anyways. The news fuck us over? No, ES did. We're still bullish, guys. We're still bullish. I do want to say that we're still bullish. It's just, I guess ES, I don't know, does it want lower? I mean, we do have these small levels, but there's no, I wouldn't say there's a reason here. Because everything lined up perfectly on NQ. We had the buying pressure, we had the inverse, we had the sweep, we had everything. And then we just got a random sell-off due to ES not being able to hold up this inverse. So worst comes to worst. Obviously, I'm not gonna end it off here just yet. Because my bias is still gonna remain bullish. I mean, we have so many levels of liquidity to take out to the upside. But the thing is here, we're gonna have to find a later re-entry. So we're gonna have to kind of wait for more confirmations to flow through. And we're gonna have to find an entry somewhere up here. So we're gonna have to use this gap instead. If we want to see longs. But man, that was such a good trade. There's no way we got stopped out on that one. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. This was the last trade this week that I was expecting not to work. But it happens. It happens. If anything, we'll just wait for more confirmation. As more buying flows through, we can find a re-entry going up. Or if anything, we just use this one. I'm green off that, bro. Yeah, I mean, the trade, like I said, the trade did see about 20 points, but we couldn't trim. Well, at least I didn't trim. I didn't trim. I really like that too much to the point where I thought we were going to go higher. But shit happens. Shit happens. Yo, why didn't you wait for a candle close? We never wait for candle closes. But no, I ended a little bit red on that. I only took 5 contracts on that one because of the news. I sized really, really light. I didn't trim either. I was waiting on. Yeah, me too. We should have seen it, but I guess not. But yeah, like I said, I'll make sure to find you guys another entry, so just so we can get a second shot at longs, because like I said, guys, I really like this bias. I really like this bias. And I'm gonna remain bullish. But we just gotta wait a little bit more for the entry then. And honestly, waiting a little bit more for the entry, at least for today, the way the volume is looking like, I don't know if it's because of Trump speaking or because of PMI or whatever. You know what I mean? We'll see. We'll see. Because us pushing up, realistically, we need to push up about 60-ish, 65 points to get our next entries or our next entry. But I don't know if that's going to take too long. It depends on how the buying comes in. But just for today, I'm extremely bullish. It just makes the most sense in my opinion. I'm just so bummed out that this one didn't work out when it should have. Yeah. I'm down like high 200s. I'm not really worried about that at all. What if you take it off the 15-minute? The 15-minute will give you the same entry, pretty much. Because if you're going to look to inverse this gap up here, your entry is going to be up here. And if you look at the 5-minute, if you're gonna inverse this gap up here, you're gonna have the same exact entry. Bro. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna go get water real quick. I'll be back. Because I'm dying here and I ran out. I'll be back. Hold up. All right, back. I'm back. But yeah, so far, like I said, we're just gonna wait for buying to come in, pretty much. No way he's down high 200s. I literally told you guys size light on this trade because of news, and I said it multiple times. Bro, I'm not 140. Yeah, no, that's not too bad. That's not too bad. Like I said, guys, for this one, don't trip out. Like I said, we're still gonna have our bullish bias, and it's gonna stay there. If we want to take out lower liquidity, we could. It's just gonna be a matter of time to see if we can even get the reversal soon. Because once we get that reversal, we should be good. We have all of the reason in the world to go up. It's just ES messed us up so bad here, and I don't see why. I really don't see why. This month has been, yeah, bro. Price action wise, horrible. I mean, I don't know if you guys know this or not. I don't know if you guys actually have done this, but every single day this week, except for today, we have stayed on the like watching the market till market close. So from open to close, at least I have. I've been on the chart all day, every single day this week. Horrible. It is mentally draining. But that's how it is sometimes. I mean, the new 95, literally, bro. Yeah. Yep. But anyways, guys, I mean, there's not much to really say here. We're just waiting on if we can get a reversal here. Hopefully soon. Hopefully. I want to see, in the meantime, while we wait for this push up, whenever we get it, I want to see what stopped us out, because I'm sure you guys like this setup as much as I liked it. But this setup was perfect. The volume, the sweep, the way we inverse, it was perfect. And I mean, to be fair, we did see like what 20 points, depending on where you guys entered, about 20 points or so. So it wasn't a bad setup at all. We saw green on it. It's just not enough. You know what I mean? Like you guys know me. I typically want to tell you guys, hey, you know what I mean, we should see higher. I mean, it's for a reason. So we use the 15-minute. Depending if you use the 15-minute or the 5-minute, you're gonna get the same entry, right? Because look, once again, if you look at the 15-minute, the top of the fair value gap is gonna be this one, the same entry. So if you look at the 5-minute, same exact entry, right? So it doesn't really matter which one you use. But anyways, like I said, guys, I want to review what went wrong here, because it doesn't make sense. Because we took out this liquidity, this external, we swept it, we had buying pressure, we inversed the gap on ES, everything looked bullish. So why did ES sell off into lower liquidity? I don't really see why. And NQ was a stronger one as well. So it got me surprised that we got such a sell-off like that. Which is fine, but what will be the MSS in this case? Did not create a higher high. No, we did. We created a look, so the market went from creating pretty much lower lows every single candle into this candle pretty much breaking out of this cycle and creating the smaller time frame higher high. And if you go on like the 1 minute, for example, you'll see what I mean, right? We took out liquidity, market started creating higher highs, higher lows, right? So the buying pressure is there, the MS is there, the sweep is there, and the inverse is there. All 4 confirmations that we need, they're all there. So I want to know exactly what is happening here. Maybe is it something that Trump said? You guys think it could be that? Because it wasn't PMI. PMI came out bullish. That's why we saw the push up that that caused us to go green for a second there. So could it be Trump? I mean, bro, most definitely. I mean, look at this. Look at this price action. You know what I mean? This is not normal. This is not normal at all. So yeah, worst case, I guess blame Trump. I mean, you guys see what I'm saying? We don't know what's happening. We don't know what's happening. I'm gonna say mainly Trump probably caused this because everything that we have lined up looks perfect. We should not have gotten stopped out there at all. Not only did the market just in the last 30 seconds, not only did it just dump down 50 points, but it just pushed up 70 points. So I don't know. I don't know. Let me see. All Trump has said so far. Let me see. Trump eyes tariffs to counter digital taxes hated by big techs, and I'm not sure. I'm not sure, but like I said, guys, the way the setup looked, it was so perfect. We had all of our confirmations. We had the entry. We had everything. I don't know why we got such a big selling candle. I have to say it could be Trump because he is speaking right now, apparently. So I guess that's what it could be. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. We'll see. One candle doesn't seem like an MSS. It signals it. You guys know in every trade that we get, or like 90% of the trades that we get, we use one candle to find the MSS. But yeah, we'll see. Anyways, if we have to use I mean, if this candle holds down bearish, we could definitely use it. The thing is, I really want to be bullish because I'm not going to chase shorts. There's no way. There's no way I'm going to chase shorts all the way down here. So we'll see. We'll see. Let me see. What do you think about the 15-minute right above the 5-minute entry that we're looking at? The last trade just went south because it bottomed at the 5-minute fair value. Well, the last trade went south not because of the fair value gap, because that fair value gap never even got created. You guys gotta keep that in mind. This candle closed right now, like 2 minutes ago, right? So this gap wouldn't have existed it didn't exist while we were taking the trade. So this is not what stopped us out. Especially with the way the volume came in super strong. Impossible fair value gap does that. So I want to say it had to have been Trump. And you guys know I don't like blaming anything. The whole reason I'm saying that is because of the volume in the market. The way it reacts is due to what Trump says. So we're gonna see. But I'll do my research on it later. Once I head out after the live, I'll see what we did wrong so I can review with you guys. But for now, what I'm gonna say is it probably was Trump. Because just the way the volume was looking like, it had to have been. But we'll see. I'll do my research. Let me see. I don't know how to. I'm not even gonna bother reading that. But I thought we weren't trading because of Opex. Kind of, yeah. But the way the volume was looking like off open, I'm like, you know what? Fuck it. Let me get on. He's turning. Yeah. The last drop was from the orange folder. You think? Existing home sales, maybe. I don't know. The market today is crazy right now. Craziest market we've seen probably all week, maybe even all month. But we'll see. Yep, had been as is. I guess so. Yeah, maybe. Hopefully that gives us the volume that we want to see towards the market. Just the way the news was looking, the candle was looking like though, it went from red to green to now red. I don't know. Realistically, the problem is that we use a stop loss, bro. All right, bro. Anyways, let me catch up with the YouTube chat. Let me see what they're saying. Not sure how you're red, bro. I couldn't get any trims, bro. Unfortunately, I couldn't get any trims. As much as I wanted to, I thought the trade was gonna go higher, so I held my contracts and. It was nothing crazy. I was in 5, so I took a small loss, but I'm not worried about it. The trade did look good, though. I'm not going to lie to you guys. That trade was, I told you guys, before we even took the trade, best setup of the week. Like, it was amazing. But shit happens, you know what I mean? We're not going to win them all. So I'm not really too mad about that. Now, if we get a re-entry and the bias looks just as bullish, that's fine. We'll just take it again. Hopefully this time it looks a little bit better. You lost like 130 or 180 with 3 contracts? Yeah, that's fine. That's normal. Wait, how much did you lose? Maybe you got slippage. That could be an issue. 277. That's how much I lost. Wait. Yeah, check your you're thinking the same reentry? No, I'm probably gonna get something up here. And the reason I'm saying I'm gonna look to take something up here is because if you look at the 15-minute, if you look to re-enter off this entry right here, and we shoot up a little bit by like what 15, 20 points, you're gonna go into this 15-minute gap that can really stop you out. All right. So yeah, I would look for something like this instead. Just like that. The thing is, we just need buyers to step in. Once we get that buying pressure, we're good. Because like I said, guys, I'm bullish. I'm gonna stay bullish throughout the entire AM session. So yeah. Yeah, that's weird. That's weird. I don't know if you guys got slippage or the entry or the stop. I don't know. But no one should have lost too much off that trade. I'm surprised some of you guys are even green. But let's see. I'm gonna let you. This is. What do you mean? On the trade? I mean, bro, it was a small loss. It's nothing crazy. But guys, hopefully we get some sort of good news that Trump says something to the point where we push up like crazy so we can inverse this one gap. This is the one thing I want to see now. This is one thing I'm really interested in. And before you guys say anything, no, this is not really a gap. It kind of is, but it's not something that we should really be too worried about. You know what I mean? It's about 36 points, not a crazy imbalance. And if the market can push up here, by the time we get up here, I'm sure the trend will be bullish to the point where we probably wouldn't have an issue inversing this one either. So I'm looking to inverse this one right here. We just need to find kind of the bottom here. It seems like sellers are getting weaker and weaker by the candle, which is a good sign because that could signal seller exhaustion. The question is can we get buyers to step in soon? Obviously, I guess buyers are kind of just waiting on Trump. That could be the reason. But the lower we go, I mean, the more setups we can create to the downside and the more levels of liquidity we take out. But if we want to reverse, it would have to be around now. You know what I mean? Like around this range. Because we want to inverse this 15-minute above. That would be the best thing that we could possibly do. And ES has the same gap here, so do something like this. So yeah, the same gap up here. But yeah. Let me see. Where are you guys? No, we're not watching it. We just know that he's speaking. It says it here on Forex Factory. Could you briefly explain why the entry was so good? Well, typically look, the confirmation wise, we look for the same confirmation in every single trade. Every single trade that we take, the setup is going to be the same. The reason I liked this one so much was the way we took out liquidity and how fast we reacted to sweep liquidity was so fast, and the volume was looking so good to the point where I kind of just loved it. You know what I mean? So typically when you're looking for the same entry or for the same setup every single time, you're gonna get everything the same, right? If you look at my past 300 trades, the chart always looks the same, and it will stay like that. All right. The only difference that makes you like the trade and not like the trade is the volume behind it. How fast we take out liquidity, how fast we sweep it, how fast we inverse the gap, right? How aggressive price is moving. Today, price was moving extremely aggressive, pretty much making me love the setup, right? But setup wise, it's the same thing as always. You know what I mean? We wait for price to take out liquidity. We wait for the sweep. We wait for the MSS. We look for buying aggression, which we definitely had. And then we just look to inverse the gap. Once we inverse it, we take the entry, and that's it. That's pretty much our job done. Then we just wait for the market to do its own thing, and that's it. Whether it works out or not, whatever happens, happens. All right? So, yeah. Extremely new. No, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. But why don't people watch the news and place the trades whether off the news is good or bad? Well, we did that. The only thing is we have like a million reports coming out all in one sitting. You know what I mean? We have Trump speaking. We have home sales. We have PMI, all in the span of like 10 minutes. So obviously the market is going to be going crazy if one is bullish, the other one is bearish, and especially what Trump says. You know what I mean? Like it could be super unpredictable. Also, also it's not what the news is how the market likes the news. You know what I mean? It's how investors like it. Because let's say, for example, news is super bullish, but for some reason investors don't like it. They're the ones that move the market, not the news. So it's kind of all based off, have you ever heard of fear and greed? That's kind of what it's based off of with the news. So it's kind of like a gamble. Because obviously anyone can read a report and be like, oh, I'm gonna go long here. I mean, but it all depends on how the investors like it. Because they're the ones who move the market. They're the ones that pump money into the market, and they can also take it out. Let me see. Setup was good. Learn from it. So there's nothing. No, literally nothing to. It's just, I guess, unfortunate. You know what I mean? I guess I personally want to say I feel like Trump said something that the market didn't like, causing it to dump down like crazy, because that wasn't a normal sell off. You guys know the volume was going crazy. It's kind of still is going crazy. Um, but that sell off was not normal, and we shouldn't even have gotten it. Because everything lined up to be bullish, and we just got a random selling candle to our stop loss. So yeah, but it happens. You know what I mean? Now our only job here is to kind of just wait it out, see what the market does, and we just go from there. You know what I mean? Now one thing, the real thing that's worrying me here is, guys, I kind of have to be off the setup by like 3, and I have not packed up. So maybe throughout the live, I just go quiet and I start packing up. While we wait for the setup. I don't know if you guys would want to do that, or we just wait for it in the chat. You know what I mean? I don't know. I don't know. But I really do want to get a reentry, because obviously I don't want to end this, you know what I mean, today red with you guys going into the weekend. That's super tilting. And, you know what I mean, we have all of the reason to get a setup, right? So I don't want to get off yet. I don't want to get off to like 12. But the thing is, I need to pack up. So maybe I just put like my suitcase, like, just, is it a suitcase, luggage, whatever it is, like right next to me, and I just put everything, like I just shove everything in there. I'm just gonna take like one pair of shoes. It's a weekend, you know what I mean? It's not gonna be crazy. Market not doing anything. Yeah, we're just waiting on. I guess we're just waiting on the reversal. It could take some time, because obviously we had so much selling coming in. But once we get that buying pressure to really step in, which could be around here. I mean, we swept 56. We're getting the sweep, or yeah, I just said that we're getting the sweep. We're trying to get the buyers to step in, but it doesn't look as good. You get what I'm saying? Like it looks a little bit weak here, right? So we need more buying aggression. Once we get that, all we need to do is pump up 80 points, which it sounds like a lot, but in today's market, nothing crazy, because the volume, right? Hopefully Trump says something good, and we go from there. But yeah, I'm gonna say the one thing holding us down is ES. This ES wants lower for some reason. I don't know why. But yeah. I wish I had money to take sure. Nah, my mom paid for it, because she really wants me to go to she kind of just said, she's like, hey, this weekend we're going to North Carolina for my cousin's birthday, and I'm like, all right, well, I guess. So yeah. Yes, it's bouncing off the level. Well, it's trying to, at least. Obviously there's no buying pressure stepping in yet. I mean, this candle is red, to be fair. And it seems like it wants lower, but I don't know. I really want. I'm hoping we get a reversal soon, because you guys don't understand. This entire week I've never been so bullish. I've never been so bullish. So I really want to see if the market can reverse here, but we don't know when or if it even can, because obviously the news. But the way the candles are looking, like these sellers are not the strongest. But buyers are obviously not stronger either, because we have one green candle this entire market open. So yeah, we're gonna see how that goes. We might start chopping out, bro. Don't say that, bro. I don't want to hear chop, bro. I don't. Yeah, hopefully we don't see lower. I really don't want to, because I mean, for what? Why should we be taking out more levels of liquidity to the downside? Now, if we do see lower, which could happen, obviously you see, you know what I mean? You see how this candle's playing out. There's a lot of selling. What could happen is, if we get more aggressive selling and we somehow create a gap to the downside, not only can we take out these two levels of liquidity that we have here, but we can also create a gap here that we can inverse to catch the absolute bottom, instead of us having to wait for a 100-point push-up to get one entry. You know what I'm saying? So it's a win-win situation. But yeah, what was your first trade? We ended up trying to snipe longs around here. I think it was here. Yeah, right here. And we just couldn't get it. Not in time. So what? We saw 20 points. I personally didn't trim. I thought I wanted higher. Um, I'm not gonna say that was greed. Definitely not greed. I just thought the charts were looking so good to the point where why would I sell now when I mean everything is lining up for higher. We're nowhere near a price target. So I kind of held it. Didn't work out. It happens. On to the next trade. You know what I mean? So yeah. How's Krabby doing? I don't. He's live trading, but he hasn't really caught anything. Maybe I don't know. Yeah. So far from what I'm seeing, probably nothing. Everything. No. The thing is, you don't understand. ES lined up as well. ES was bullish. Look at this. Our setup was right here. This was our setup. We got the inverse. Like this. We inversed. We swept liquidity all the way over here. I mean, it's the same setup. It just didn't hold up. You get what I'm saying? I don't know. I mean, like I said, I'm gonna do my research behind this trade and see why it went against us when it looked so perfect. But my reasoning for now, I'm gonna say for now, I'm gonna say it was because of Trump. Blasters, how many trades have you taken on Discord this week? I've only taken 3, or not really take. I've put out 3 trades. 2 of them being winners, and obviously the one today being the losing trade, as you guys see right here. This one today, obviously the losing one. Winning trade and winning trade right here, which this one was about 80 points. Yeah, so 80 points, 45 points because everyone sold at 45, and then this one was a stopped out trade. But we sized light on this one, so it wasn't even that big of a loss. So yeah. Here, let me kind of just put this over here. Anyways, so far, I really hope we don't chop here. I really hope we don't chop. Because I really want to sweep this liquidity. In my opinion, what's the point of going lower? We've taken out literally everything. So the question is, when can we see higher? I guess once we break up with this high, we should be good. But I don't know. The setup could take time, but it's time that I'm willing to wait. And I really want to take the setup. Go pack, bro. Honestly. Just keep the screen open. Yeah. Was it? What reversed from yesterday's PM? That's what I'm saying. Yeah, we've taken out every single roll to the downside to the point where why would we want lower? We've taken out almost everything. You get what I'm saying? Oh, yeah, the Opex chop. Bro, I completely forgot today was Opex. That's right. Ah, bro. Bro. No way. That's right. Today is Opex. That's probably why the market is chopping out. Because we went through all the news already. The 9:45 news, the 10 a.m. news. I'm assuming Trump is almost done talking. Yeah, we're... Now that you guys mention it, that's right. Yeah, we do have Opex. We're probably going to sit in this range for the whole day. I'm gonna head out. Yeah, bro, don't worry. I'll see you next week, bro. Nah, but I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Today's open was amazing. Like, I'm not gonna say, oh, hi guys, I regret trading it, because obviously if the trade went green, we would not be here. Like, we would be celebrating. We'd be like, oh my god, let's go. You know what I mean? So I'm not mad about it. That setup looked perfect, and I'm not gonna complain about it. It just didn't work out. You know what I mean? Shit happens. Let me see. When is open? Well, it's the whole day, pretty much. It's just when a bunch of option contracts are expiring, so people are taking money away from the market, which kind of just slows it down. So that's why I always tell you guys, every third Friday of the month, expect it to be really choppy. Just because, you know, people are taking money out. Heading out. Yeah, bro, take it easy, bro. Take it easy. But I'm gonna stay on till like, I want to say like 12. In the meantime, I should probably start packing. I have all the clothes in my bed, so I'll have to just shove it in there. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And then we just wait for the setup, which I don't know if it's gonna happen. But yeah, let me see. It went against you because we had an S&T with ES, but not at the time. You guys gotta keep that in mind. The clothes are gonna be all in wrinkles. I mean, bro, I don't have time, bro. It's either I go without clothes or I go. You know what I mean? I'll figure it out. But yeah. No, we didn't have the SMT on ES at the time. Everything was real time and everything was looking bullish. I made sure of it. Like I said, we got such a sudden sell off. I want to say because of Trump. He probably said something that the market didn't like, and obviously people just made the market go down. So yeah. Price dropped today, dipping back into PLC. I don't know what that is. PLC. From yesterday's price action. I think we bounce from here, hopefully. But keep in mind, bro. We could bounce from here. We should bounce from here. We have every reason to bounce from here. The reason why I'm saying we probably won't is because this is probably where the market is going to start chopping out. Not only did every single news come out already for the market, and the market already had its reaction, but we have Opex throughout the entire day where money is being taken out of the market, which could point of control. I also don't know what that is. So yeah. Anyways, yeah. As much as I hate to say it, we're probably going to start chopping soon. If not, we probably already are. I mean, look at the candles. So yeah, we'll see. We will see. I'm reading the chat in a second. I'm kind of just catching up with everything. All right, let me see. Okay, bro, I'm super mad because of uni. I couldn't take the 80-point trade. The 50-point trade, I wrongly trimmed the enter light. It made about $80 off a 50-point trade. What? And today I entered with 8 contracts. But come on, I literally told you guys size down on this one because of the news. It seems like everything is going wrong. I know it, and it won't be in the long run. But I'm honestly scared because I have 1,400. Bro, you're good, bro. 14. That's more than enough. You're fine. You're fine. I know it's still a lot, but I'm feeling off about it because I can't afford to lose these PAs. Okay, so look, if anything, how can I say this? Wait, we're selling off. All right. I don't know. I don't really know what to say in that situation because, okay, drawdown wise, you're fine. I mean, what you missed one trade, you took a green trade, and then this one was just red. I'm gonna say you're fine. You're probably just letting one loss get to you. So I don't know. I don't really know how to word it. Anyways, wait, hold on. We are selling up. Maybe, guys, worst comes to worst, or not worst comes to worst, but best thing, we could probably create a setup down here if the selling looks interesting enough. The one thing that's really scaring me, guys, is the chop. I don't want to get you guys a trade where the market just chops out and stops us out. You know what I mean? I really don't want to go through that, especially on a Friday. But yeah, bro, you're fine on that loss, bro. Not only do you have more than enough drawdown, but bro, you took one loss. You're probably just letting the loss get to you mentally because you missed 1 or 2 trades. But bro, you're fine. I promise you're fine. But yeah, guys, we have 2 minutes into his candle. Let's see what this does. Because, like I said, guys, I said it like 5 minutes ago or 10 minutes ago. If the market wants to continue going lower, we can create a gap to the downside, take out these 2 levels of liquidity, and then just look to inverse this one. The only thing is if we start chopping up, this is where it can get a little bit ugly. So, what are the levels of liquidity to the downside do you have? I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. I feel like if the market continues to go lower, the absolute bottom has to be 16. There's no way we go lower. There's no way we go lower than that. Well, no, actually, no. Let me kind of not say that. The lowest point we should be able to go to today is 951. This is like the swing low of the market. Like this is the lowest point the market has gone to, like this entire month, or not really, but you know, you get what I'm trying to say. Like recently, so yeah, we could probably just do something off that. Let's hope we can find a better setup down here. Yeah, we're gonna have to because there's no way I'm gonna wait for a 200-point push up for one entry. Like this setup is beyond done. Like we're not getting this one. Like matter of fact, I'm gonna delete it because we're not getting that. So yeah, we're gonna have to find a setup down here. Now, you guys gotta keep in mind, we just finished taking out both the levels of liquidity, which is actually what we wanted, which is a good sign. Now obviously we need to make sure that this candle closes and the next one holds below this wick right here. Then we should be good for another entry. All right. But yeah, we just finished taking out 16, which we can expect another bounce going forward. I hope just not so soon, because obviously we need to make sure that we have the gap ready to take. So yeah, 56 points, pretty nice imbalance. ES just finished taking out some more liquidity to the downside. This could be our second chance at longs. Probably. That's if we get the confirmation, of course. Right? Now, what are some rules behind the setup before it plays out? Well, obviously, we need this candle to actually make a gap. We can't have this candle go above this wick right here, because then we're not going to have anything. All right? And from the looks of it, we took out liquidity, which is an amazing sign. We're currently sweeping it as price is holding above 16, which is also amazing. The only con behind this is if price wants to reverse right now, it could. If it wants to, it would. All right? So for the next 4 minutes and 30 seconds, we can't have price inverse this gap. As long as it holds below it, we could get another chance at longs. All right, guys? How long have I been trading for? For about 4 years. Every single day for 4 years. And I mean every single day. Like, for the people that have, I always say this, but for the people that have been with me since the very, very beginning, you guys know I've never taken a day off. Like, I only take days off if I have to. Like, if there's news or something, I'll take that off. But I don't really count that as a day off. Right? So yeah, every single day for 4 years, practicing 5 to 8 hours a day, sometimes even 10 hours a day on the charts, practicing every single day. My 8 trade, but wait, is that payout worthy? I'm assuming so, right? Actually, no, I don't think that's payout worthy. Is it payout worthy? I'm not sure. What kind of profit are you targeting? I'm assuming at 30 points. Okay, yeah. Stop loss 30 points. But if we were to target upside, we're gonna be targeting the small pullbacks that the market has had so far, right? Which would be this high up here, right? As you guys see, we have this really, really nice wick here where the market went from green to red. Then we're gonna use this wick up here, which is actually where we got stopped out. You know what I mean? So, this is where liquidity was made at 151. We can also use this fair value gap as a price target. So we're gonna go ahead and target this, just like this, and then obviously we'll just target this London high up here, right? So in this case, if we were to get a setup right now, if we were to get a setup, if the market were to reverse, all that good stuff, we would have about 4 price targets. PT1 and PT2 being the internal highs as a price target, right? This one being a fair value gap price target, right? So we will be targeting the fair value gap, and then we will just have this London high as the final PT4. All right. Let me see. I'm down 382. I don't really care about that last loss, but will it be a good idea for me to re-enter? I entered 5 contracts last time, but had a bad entry. All right. So honestly, yeah, it wouldn't be a bad idea at all. I'm not gonna say, if you're 0 for 1 to call it just yet. If the market looks good, you can always trade it. Just try not to oversize to kind of dig yourself deeper into that hole. You get what I'm saying? But yeah, what do sellers want? Don't tell me we're still selling off, bro. I mean, it's normal if we hold below it just for now. As long as we hold up this gap, we're good. As long as we don't sell off too much and get further from it, we're fine. Is 1600? No, nowhere near. That's like a fresh account. You're fine. You're more than fine, if anything. What's up with sellers? I'm not sure. By long term, we're getting further and further away from all-time high, which is a good thing. So next week we don't have to worry about all-time highs. At least I don't think. But yeah, we'll see. Hopefully I don't jinx it. Now, I'm just hoping that we don't sell off too. Like I said, this selling is completely fine. I just hope we don't sell off too much, because then obviously we're gonna get further and further away from the setup. It feels like yesterday. What was yesterday? Oh yeah. Oh. Okay. Yeah. Oh yeah. I remember. Yeah. Yesterday we tried getting this inverse, and it took literally all day for no entry. That's right. But yeah, guys. In this case, going forward, if we hold above 16. This setup will look not just as good, but it'll be there. It'll be a setup. It's just that the volume is dying down. Obviously, we're getting further and further from open and Opex. All right, so that could be an issue. But in the meantime, let me go ahead and kind of look for something like this. There you go. But yeah. Now, guys, I really need to pack. I just don't want to go quiet on you guys because I know you guys might get bored and get off and whatever. But just know that we have a setup. Just know that we have a setup here that we're loving. Um, it's just in the meantime, while we buy time and everything, I should probably get that done. Um, I just don't want to get off the charts. Pack, we're not kids. You're right, bro. You're right. Okay. Anyways, guys. In the meantime, hold on. In the meantime, so this 5-minute candle finally closed, so we officially have the setup ready. Now, all we need to do is obviously here. I'm gonna draw it out for you guys, so when I go quiet, you guys obviously know that there's something on the screen. So what we're gonna be looking for is something like this. So we took out. Oh, we're gonna label this as external DOL. I just hope we don't continue to create lows. That's the one thing I don't want. All right, so we have the external right here. We want to see buyers. Oh, wait. Okay. I'm gonna put here. We want to see buyers hold above this level, which we're getting right now, to confirm the DOL sweep. Right. Once we get this, we want to see right here. Right here, and then simply all we look for is all right. This is a setup. All right, guys. Bro, twisted. Anyways, let me see. Can you play South Park in the back, bro? I wish, bro. I wish, because that's what I would do. But here, let me set up an alert here just in case. I'm gonna put it at like 46. So if we do go up, obviously the computer will tell me. Where do we enter at? Well, obviously off this inverse. So around 64. How many contracts? Okay, this one. Okay, I know I did 5 on my last one, but I'm probably gonna do 7 on this one just because news is not in the way. But the reason I'm sizing light is because I'm scared of the chop. Obviously you guys know the market is not the cleanest right now because of Opex. But if the setup works out, then yeah, we could definitely take it. All right. Now I'm just hoping that we really show signs of a reversal because we just had it like a second ago. I don't know why we're flipping back red. But hopefully we show signs of some buying very soon because the setup looks good. And the sooner we get it, honestly, the better for me. Because I really have to get this done. All right. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna go quiet for like, well, you guys are probably gonna hear me in the background. But I'm gonna have this chart open. So you guys watch it. You guys can watch it off my screen share, or you guys could just chill in here. Give me like 10 minutes. I'm just gonna like kind of just shove everything in there, and I'll be done. All right, give me a second. I'm gonna have my monitor kind of pointed at me. All right. So I'll be here. All right. Bro, there's no way I look away for 2 seconds and the market sells off. Bro, I mean, if anything, if we want to take on 975, that's another level of liquidity that we don't have to worry about. But I really want to hold above 16 because guys, the further away we get from the setup, I mean, the setup looks so close, but if you measure it out, it's 80 points. It was just barely like 50 points away. Now it's 80 points away. So hopefully we don't go down too much because I really want to trade this. Uh, Wait, did we take it out? Yeah, we did. We tapped into it. That counts. That counts. But like I said, guys, as long as price can hold above 216, that's all. That's realistically all we need, and then we're pretty much good to take the longs. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Yeah, hopefully buyers can step in very soon. I mean, we're getting some pretty strong aggression here in the off this open. So like I said, guys, as long as we hold above 2016, we're there. All right. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna get back to doing this. I'm gonna set an alert. I'm just gonna keep it up here. All right, guys. But yeah, just stay here. You know what I mean? Once we get the setup going, I'll obviously get back on. Um, back on the mic pretty much. And then let me see. If we take out 950, no. If we take out 950, that's the complete bottom. Like if we go lower, I'm not trading it. David definitely got 88. Nah, bro, it's because when I trade, bro, I'm so locked in that I don't want to do anything else. Yeah, but bro, I literally folded for like 3 seconds. And I got back on, bro. Makes you look anxious. No, it's just obviously I'm working right now. You know what I mean? I'm the last thing I should be doing is folding clothes. You know. You know what? That can wait. You know what I mean? I'm gonna get back on. Fuck the clothes. I'll figure it out. Anyways, yeah. No. I mean, bro, it's like what, like 2-3 days. It's bro. I pack up and I'm gonna be at home like most of the time. You know what I mean? So I get like what, like one fancy outfit, and I just get pajamas or something. I just stay there. I'll be fine. Okay, so I'm gonna give myself until like, okay, I have to be out of the house at 3. I'm gonna get off at 12. All right, I'm gonna get off at 12. Regardless, that's the time that we typically always get off. I just hope today is not gonna be a PM session type of day, because then that's when we really get messed up. There's not one green 5-minute count. That's what I'm saying, bro. Like, and the thing is, the selling looks so weak as well. Look at this type of selling. It's wick. You know what I mean? Like, it's horrible. How many points is too far for a setup? Well, there's no certain points. It's just the further away, the more time we have to wait, and the more buyers we need behind that setup, which can kind of mess it up, because if it's really far away, then it messes everything up. You know what I mean? Because it just takes away from the points that you can be making money from. You know, so the further away, I guess the worse it gets. So yeah. Man, I just hope we get buying very soon. Bro, now this chat's about to go out. Bro, I know, bro. I know. Nah, but we're locked in right now. We have a setup. It's just a matter of waiting. How many training days do I need to pass my eval? You're not limited to any days. You're not really limited to anything. What about the fair value gap on the 15-minute time frame? It's really far away, unless there's a new one, which I don't think there is. Oh yeah, well there is. I wouldn't take this, because obviously you're gonna have a 5-minute that's gonna hold you down a little bit more. So make sure we inverse the 15-minute and the 5-minute as well. It's the same thing. Same thing. Should we put a stop by? Nah, just watch it. Just wait for it. If you have to, go ahead, but I wouldn't. Yeah, just watch the price. Exactly. You want volume as we're inversing it, right? You don't want the market to put you in something when the market is dead. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. Bro, I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. All jokes aside, you're right. Hold up. No, like I'm in the rest. There you go. Okay, we're good. You're in for real? Wait, what are you seeing? What are you seeing? What's up? Trading in the now. What's up? What's up? Logged in late. What are you looking for? Okay, so right now we're wait. Okay. Pretty much what we're looking for right now is for price to kind of hold above 22,016. If we can get that sweep, pretty much all we need is strong buying with an MSS to go ahead and inverse this fair value gap that we want to see. It's a 5-minute and 15-minute fair value gap that we want to go ahead and inverse, just like this, right? The problem is that price is very, very indecisive, or it's very ugly. All right, and the reason for that is because of Opex. So we don't know if we're gonna get the setup. Fingers crossed we get it very soon. But you know, what I mean, we do have some stuff against us today. So we're gonna see how this goes. But if we can get an entry around 64.25, that's gonna be our cue to go ahead and look for some longs. So yeah, that's pretty much what we're looking for right now. The 1 minute fair value gap held us down 3 times now. There's no way a 1 minute fair value gap is doing that much work. No, bro, we inversed it. Are you talking about this one? Nah, it's just price just being stupid. Ah, man, all we need here is, obviously, it could take some time here for buyers to really step in because, obviously, of all the selling and the lack of buyers. But if they do want to step in, the only confirmation we need, guys, is 2016. That's all we need, man. That is all we need. So hopefully we get it very soon. Bro. Thanks for your explanation. I got you, bro. I got you. David, how many trades you took? I answered that question for you like 30 minutes ago. But three trades so far this week. Hopefully it's 4 with this setup, but you know, I don't know how it's gonna go. I'm gonna do it at 12. So I have like 3 hours to do it. I'll be fine. It does not take 3 hours to pack clothes. It takes like 20 minutes. Especially for like 3 days. No, I put out. This week I've taken like two trades. Yeah. How many contracts do you size for each account? 7. Oh my girl, bro. Yeah, no, that goes for everyone, bro. It takes like 30 minutes max, exactly. And the reason it takes 30 minutes is probably because I'm eating shit in between. Nah, bro, space. No, bro. I mean, not really, bro. I mean, bro, the setup today was amazing, bro. We can't complain on that. The setup was amazing today. It was really, really good. But we broke our rules? No, we didn't. Well, yeah, it's Opex, but the thing is, you guys gotta keep in mind, it's not guaranteed for the market to be choppy. It just most times it is. And keep in mind, we didn't get stopped out because of chop. So Opex has nothing to do with the loss today. You know what I mean? Obviously, we're not gonna be blame it on Opex, but we got stopped out fair and square. You know what I mean? Like the setup looked perfect. We had everything lined up. I guess Trump said something, and you know, it fucked us up. Also, ES couldn't hold above the inverse, so also that. Yeah, the setup looked fine. If anything, it looked perfect. Not even fine. It looked perfect. But yeah, so far, selling just keeps coming in. I'm not sure why. Ah, man. And I won't be able to take anything during the PM session. Actually, maybe I would, because my flight leaves at 5. So maybe I could trade at the airport. But I don't want to do that. Sounds like a headache. And there we go. Going lower. So the data came out. The thing is, I don't think that's what moved the market. It has to be something with Trump. Well, unless that's what he said. I'm not sure. But yeah, well, there's a new fair value gap that we can also use. Now, guys, wait. Hold on. Let me tell you all this. It's not important. Wait, guys, now that we took out 951, this is the complete bottom of the market. Yeah, that's the bottom. Exactly. Wait. We have nothing below. So now, guys, this is pretty much just going to tell us whether we call it a day or we get a trade. There's no in between. All right, we have officially taken out every single nearby level of liquidity to a downside. We just finished taking out the swing low. All right, now if you guys go on the higher time frame, this is what I mean. Right, complete bottom nearby. You zoom out like crazy, complete bottom. All right, so if the market were to bounce off anywhere, it would have to be here. Like if we go lower, I'm not trading it. Like I'm just gonna take the L and just call it. All right, we've hit rock bottom like 3 times. Yeah. Like just when we think we can't go lower, we somehow go lower. You know what I mean? Anyways, guys, we have officially hit 951. Out of like every level that we've taken out today, this is the level where we should expect the most buying to really start stepping in. All right. So let's see. Now, on top of that, guys, we also just finished creating a 63-point imbalance, which can create a very, very, very nice gap here. All right, so what we're going to do here is we're going to mark out the... Hopefully, fingers crossed we hold it, because the setup looks... It will be the best one out of all. As long as, obviously, the buying looks good. I'm just scared that buyers step in too quick. Because, I mean, guys, look at the... Okay, guys. Look at the reaction that we're having right after we took out 951. Does it not tell you guys something? Like I said, if the market were to bounce off anywhere... I mean, it would make sense to bounce off the complete low of the market or of the swing low, right? And the fair value gap is gone, just like that. Well, it's about to be gone. But yeah, I mean, if we have to use this one, sure. I mean, if the market is going to reverse from here and we have to wait until this, I'll wait it. I'll wait it out. I don't even care. I'll wait it if I have to. But hopefully we get an early entry here, because obviously that's less waiting that we have to do, and that's more points that we could be catching. All right, guys. But from the looks of it, we're gonna see. We're gonna see how this holds up. I don't have. Yeah, look at ES. Yeah, there goes the gap. Well, it's fine though. As long as we have the deal well sweep confirmation, we can still get longs. So I don't think that's gonna be too much of an issue. Now how many points do we have to push up to get? Don't tell me it's more than 100 points. Okay, yeah, 85 points. I mean, in this one candle, we just pushed up like what, like 60 points? Oh, 45 points. So what, like 1-2 more push-ups like this, and we should be at an entry. It's far, but it's definitely possible. What about the 15-minute? Well, if we're gonna inverse this 5-minute, we're also gonna inverse this 15-minute. So it's kind of like a 2-in-1. You get what I'm saying? So if instead of you entering right here, I'd much rather have you. Wait. Yeah, don't risk a bad entry for 17 points. I'd much rather have you inverse the 5-minute instead, so you get like a 2-in-1. You get what I'm saying? So like you're inversing both the 5-minute and the 15-minute. So guys, hopefully this is the complete bottom. We would have had an amazing entry here, but look, honestly, I'm not even complaining. I don't even care. Like as long as we can start getting some buying volume to start coming in, we can definitely snipe some longs off this up here. And hopefully, fingers crossed, it comes in strong. Fingers crossed, because, man, longs here would have been amazing. I doubt anyone enter off this, though. There's no entry anywhere. Let me see. Crazy how fast I've picked up on your strategy. I honestly feel like I could start looking for my own setups very soon. Man, that's the whole point of this. That's why I pretty much do this live and teach you guys everything. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, hopefully you can start doing that. You know? The strategy is not so hard. You know what I mean? Entry on the 1 minute? Nah. I'm not. Nah, I'm good. I don't like the 1 minute. Yo. The fuck? Oh, hell no. Bro, Krabby. Did you catch anything today? All right. What would the entry have been if the fair value gap wasn't filled? Well, it would be at 985. It would be off the inverse right here. You know PH8 when Krabby joins? Yeah. Yeah, no, it was fine. Bro, Krabby, I had the most beautiful setup, bro. The most perfect, like most beautiful, most perfect, most gorgeous, most prettiest setup ever, bro. And I got stopped out. Tis. Who's bro describing? Yeah, most cute setup, bro. Gone. Just like that. So I'm waiting for a re-entry. What? No. Surprisingly, I'm not annoyed at all on the stop today. Well, I took this at like 5 contracts, so it barely did anything. But someone said, "Bro, don't even talk about his girl like that." Bro, no way. Not even on live, bro. Damn. Yeah. What number would the re-entry be? Right now, the only entry that we kind of have to work with is going to be up here. This one. So like 64 points on it. Just the same one that we were watching. I just hope price doesn't take too long to get up there. Bro, Krabby. Dude, I'm fucked. Bro, I thought my flight was at 6 today. I had to leave the house at 2. I have nothing in my thing. I haven't packed up. Dude, it's my cousin's birthday. So I have to go to North Carolina for like the weekend. No, bro, I didn't even pay for the flight. My mom, I promise you, my mom just comes into my room. She's like, "Oh yeah, by the way, on Friday at 6, we're leaving." I'm like, "What? Where?" She's like, "Oh, North Carolina." I'm like, "All right." Bro. Nah, but bro, like I was like sleeping yesterday. I'm like, tomorrow I'm probably gonna bro, I promise you, like the night before, like yesterday, last night, um, I was in bed. I was super tired. I'm like, bro, tomorrow I'm probably not even gonna trade because of Opex. You know what I mean? I'm probably gonna get off like at 10:30. I'll just pack up then, bro. It's almost 11. I haven't packed up shit, and I'm here trading. Like, bro, it's my mom's money. I didn't even know. Like, I just said okay, bro. I'm gonna stay at home. I'm not doing anything good. If anything, in the meantime, I might just go snowboarding. Fuck it. I'll make the drive. Yeah. Yeah, fuck it. I mean, what do I have to do for the weekend? Practically nothing. Might as well. Who? Zion? Yeah. 3 pair of boxers. Yeah, I already have that in there. That's kind of all I have. I have to get socks, pants, shirt, pajamas, and that's it. Got to be yeah, that's where I went to last time. Bro, amazing, bro. Best one I've gone to so far. 30 pairs. Bro, I'm taking 1 pair. Taking the Air Force. Bro, you can never go wrong with Air Forces. Your mom's done. Bro, what? No. 1 pair of underwear. Bro. What? Yeah, this is the first day this week where we've had good price action. It's the first day where I go red. I'm thinking about naming my 2 sons Krabby and Blast. What do you guys think? Everybody, what do you think, bro? Dude, can we get some buying pressure, please, bro? Have you ever traded Orb? Yes. When I used to do options, I have experience with it. I would say I just don't trade it anymore, just because I don't know, the risk reward is. I don't know. Back then, at least, at least the way I traded it, it wasn't really the best. Like I would take some pretty big losses when it would go against me. Let me catch up with YouTube. I have not read the chat. Okay. Do you usually set up your entry at the top of the fair value gap? Yeah. So when I'm looking for inverses, yeah, usually at the top of the fair value gap or at the bottom. It depends on which if it's bullish or bearish. Do you live with your mom? Yeah, bro. I'm 19. And I'm just gonna say like I'm not going nowhere. And the stop loss at the bottom of no, the stop loss usually about 25 to 30 points. Lately we've been doing 30 points, but it could be either way. Um, is your sign to get in on the trade when it breaks through the fair value gap? Yeah, yeah. So pretty much when it inverses. Pretty much. Pretty much. Is options like pocket options? Nowhere near. No, no, no. Nowhere near. Bro, pocket options is the casino, pretty much. Next year? Bro, congrats, bro. Hopefully it all goes through. Oh, wait. Krabby, were you in the call yesterday with the when I was talking about the real estate, the Section 8? You were? Bro, I did the call yesterday. So, honestly, bro, not bad at all. I think I'm gonna do it. So pretty much the way he explained it was it's an all done for you type of process. The only fee you pay is a $6,000 fee per house. Now they're running an offer right now that if you get two houses, they'll do two houses for the price of one. Don't do it. Why not? No, it was a call. It wasn't. Okay, hear me out. What? Yeah, it's called Section 8 Boss. Okay, hear me out. Right? I'm gonna tell you guys what he told me. I'm not gonna say like, oh, hear me out because I'm gonna do it. But you know what I mean? Okay, so what he told me was, you pay the $6,000 and you pretty much like start getting into calls with them to start planning out which property you want to do, which one has which cash flow you want to go into, and all that stuff. Now, the things that you have to pay is gonna be the only thing you have to do is sign the agreement, which obviously I'm gonna read over if I end up doing it. If I end up doing it, um, 6K, you won't know if it no, you do. You kind of just plan it out. Because they talk about like the cash flow per house. Now, the only thing that you have to pay is the property managers that they use. The way they get paid is they take 10% of whatever monthly income you make off that, right? So let's say for example your cash flow will be $700. Because of what they take, you're gonna get $600 a month from that property for the property managers. Yeah, I mean, is that not normal? It is normal. Yeah, it is. It is. Property managers. That's how they make their money. 10%. Yeah. So let's say for example you were to make um let's say 1,500 like revenue from that property a month, they keep 150. I don't know. Spencer K on it better than 7K on a muffler, bro. I don't know. What company? Okay, look. Do you guys know who Ecom Side Hustle is? The guy with the big guy with the Lambo. Him. Yeah, him. Um. Now the thing that kind of got me like a little bit like um is he just started it. So obviously there's room for mistakes that he's going to make. You know what I mean? So I'm like, I kind of told him like, I don't know, like maybe give me some time to think about it. And they're like, yeah, bro, it's fine. Here, just take my contact. You know, whenever, just let us know. So at least they weren't pushing about that, because bro, I hate it when I tell, you know what I mean, like let's say for example I'm gonna do like a service that needs to help me. Um, and bro, they're always like bro, like let me convince you right now. Like no, bro, give me time to think. Like I'm not gonna do it. They're like no, like let me do. I don't like that, bro. I hate that shit. And then they just keep calling you over and over. So good thing they were like, oh yeah, bro, we understand. You know what I mean? Like, yeah, it's exactly, bro. They're so pushy and it's so annoying, bro. Like no one will ever do business like that. You can't tan, so you don't need to be a citizen to buy in Mexico. I've never really heard of buying property to invest in Mexico. For real? I never really heard of it. It's dodgy. Yeah, always, bro. I like. I don't care if it's sales or not. That's just annoying. Like I will never end up following through with that ever. I hate it. It's like a pet peeve that I have. It's like, bro, they don't let you leave. Like they don't let you leave the car. They're like, no, wait. Okay, what if we do this? What if I charge you this much, bro? No. Let me see. Find someone more experienced to go to elevation. There's tons of Section 8 people I've talked to there, for sure more experienced than him. That started with Tom Cruise. The thing is, ecom side hustle and the people that I talk to, they're friends with Tom Cruise as well. Like really good friends apparently. Have you ever been outside of the? Oh yeah, a million times. Yeah, they are desperate. It just shows you what's happening. I hate it. Just do it yourself. There's so much free information online that's out there for free. They're cutting into your profits from the property manager. And you're stuck with the property. Yeah, I thought about that as well. We're gonna see. Like I said, I'm not gonna do it just yet. I have to obviously do my research and everything, and I'm gonna see if I even end up doing it on my own. But from what it sounds like, I mean, it's pretty easy. It's like what, like a flat rate of 6K. They do everything for you, and they manage everything. You know what I mean? They give you accountants. They find the tenants for you. They have the property manager. I don't really have to do anything. I don't even have to make a call. MSS, yeah, it's kind of forming here, but we're still nowhere near the gap, so we still have to wait on it. So yeah, nothing crazy yet. Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm saying. I'm pretty sure I've heard property managers just take a percent. You know what I mean? From the thing a month. That's how they make their money. It's not like a flat rate, or it could be, but from what I've seen, it's typically not always. Yeah, 10% is not bad. At what they're making, like what, like $100 per house a month. It's nothing crazy. I don't think it's like what, like 100 $200 a month. Well, yeah, it's cutting into your profits, but they're also managing the property for you. You know, inspections and everything. So in my opinion, and you're still making profit. You're still making that cash flow. Like what, like $400 to $600 a month from the house. It doesn't sound horrible. It really doesn't. And yeah, it's definitely not something I want to manage on my own. Definitely not. That's a whole job in its own. 3 to 5% is, well, I don't know about. Remember, we're doing Section 8. We're not doing like regular real estate. So 10% sounds pretty. Yeah, because they have to be like a little bit extra, I would say, because obviously the house and tenants and this and that. So yeah. Uh, who are the clients? Okay, so typically, from what I've seen, okay, have you guys ever heard of this guy called Sam on TikTok? He's like, he has a buzz cut, he's blonde, he has green eyes. Ever heard of him? Yeah, Sam. Him. Apparently he's doing it as is it Sam Millsap? I think that's his name. He's like, he has a buzz cut. Let me see. Yeah, him. He's doing it. And apparently, so far they already have the properties and everything set up, and they just got a tenant for him. So we're gonna, or apparently they did. I don't know. So I'm gonna see how that goes with him. But yeah, the fact that, well, you can't really miss it. You know when people have green eyes and they look at you with the look, so you can see their green eyes. That's how it is. I mean, like, you can't miss it. You really can't. Who pays for repairs and maintenance? Um, Good question. I'm assuming I do. I mean, since it's my property. What is that? What does that mean, bro? Anyways, I've been dying to, bro. I guess I'm just trying to find the easy way into it, but I don't know if I want to do it. Yeah, a lot of time, bro. Let me see. David, I got into section. I'm assuming Section 8, bro. There's no way we sell off again, bro. Oh my, dude, I gotta pack up soon, man. I'm gonna do it. Like I said, I'm gonna do it at 12, so I have time. David, I got into Section 8 August of last year. I will be happy to share with you on how it worked out. 6K per property is pretty high. The process is not that complicated. Okay, I actually have a few people DMing me, which is good. You know what I mean? So yeah, I just added you, bro. He does Section 8. Yeah, I think I've DM'd him before he eagled me. Dude, Dylan, I never said I do anything with him. I don't even know the guy. I've just seen him on TikTok. You don't find a property manager that you can trust and won't. Exactly, and that's the thing. I'm sure they have property managers when it comes to a business like that. I'm sure they know people. You know what I mean, that won't really screw you over. Real estate is neither a passive or good. Well, obviously it's not passive, like you don't do anything with it, but is it not? I mean, I know it holds value, but But it should keep selling off, bro. I don't know, man. I don't know. It's gonna get to a point where the market's gonna get so choppy that's gonna become untradeable. Bro, I know I'm gonna knock out on that flight. It's doing the same thing as yesterday, bro. If it does, we can't really trade it. It's still the same way. Yeah, the thing is, the only thing that's worrying me is the Opex today. We could probably chop out very soon, if not, if we haven't already. But technically, yeah, the bias on the smaller time frame is leaning more, at least for now, is leaning more towards bullish. We're kind of struggling to break these lows, which is a really good sign. But it's gonna take forever to get up here. If anything, PM session maybe. But the thing is, I'm so busy PM that I don't even know if I'll be able to catch it. You're just me to start. I'm not gonna read that. I'm not gonna read that. I caught myself. You gotta run numbers. Make sure you're at least after paying everything. I'll see. I'll see if I even go through with it. Okay, let me catch up with YouTube. Let me see. What state do you usually snowboard? Well, I've only done it twice, and it's been in Aspen in North Carolina. So yeah. But I definitely do want to do it more. When price goes through a fair value gap, sometimes it chops in the fair value gap. If price goes, well, you gotta keep in mind, you gotta look into the volume. Like right now, for example, if we were to inverse this gap, but price is very very choppy, I probably just won't take the gap. So you gotta look at it like that. All right. Confused on when one would take a short, or do you use it on long? No, you can do it on both shorts and longs. It doesn't really matter. It just depends what your bias is, but it'll work out the same way. I might go. Rins. Yeah, I might go. The volume is less than 500, but it's gonna take forever. It is, bro. It is. Dude, I'm just so bummed out that first trade. It should have been a winning trade. It really should have. But we got fucked up with it. But I'm gonna make sure that we get something today, guys. So you know what I mean. Don't trip out about it. So what's the final decision on the account you're gonna full port on? Dude, you're not gonna let that go, bro. I know. I don't know. I'll do it for fun, but let me see. Landlords. Yeah, I know that. Then. Bro, Leo. That was this market doing? That's exactly what we kind of knew since yesterday because of Opex. But we're gonna try and wait it out. We're gonna try. We're gonna see how that goes. Gabby, you're not alerting anymore for today? You're done? Yeah. Okay. I might do the same. Dude, do you think it's worth trading at the airport? Because my flight leaves at like 5. Why not? Have you done it before? What went wrong? Bro, like, just put on noise cancellation headphones. Hello, like we're in the big 25. Just use that. No, I'm just kidding. No, prefer though. Like, I don't know. I you wouldn't, bro. Nah, just trade. Look, you know what you went wrong, bro. You got to trade at a Starbucks, like at the airport. You just use their Wi-Fi and that's it. Ah, bro. Obviously, you're on the plane, bro. I know in the plane that yeah, it gets bad. It gets bad. Bro, this volume, bro. Like bro, today we've had two perfect setups. One didn't work out, and one is chopping out. You remember that chat a few years ago, bro? People do that all the time. Why do you think I ignore DMs? Ums. What? Bro, Crafty, look at the chat, bro. That shit looks fire. How I get it later, bro. That's. Do you remember the trade setup yesterday hitting? It played. Okay, look, we hit the entry point literally at the last minute of the market, but I don't think it played out. Um, Even if it did, we couldn't have traded that because market was closed. Remember? Anyways, can someone explain why NQ dumped today? We had a shit ton of news. So that's pretty much why. Trump, PMI, home sales, pretty much all bearish. In a way. So yep. And Joe, that's pretty much why I'm gonna say we got stopped out today, because not only do we have all of our confirmations, not only do we have the buying pressure, the MSS model, the sweep, the inverse, liquidity above, but we got stopped out in an impulsive selling candle. So we got stopped out due to news. We just don't know which one we got stopped out to. I'm gonna say it was because of Trump. I'm gonna blame it on Trump. I've kind of made up my mind. So yeah, because that type of selling that we got, it's not really normal. So it had to be something with what he said. I'm gonna do my research at the airport and see where we went wrong, and I'll just tell you guys. But we'll go from there. Let me see. When you say when you say look for volume, are you meaning we want the candle that's mostly body? No. So what I mean by you looking for volume is look for the size. Yeah, pretty much the body. Yeah. So look for size and speed of the candle. Pretty much what that shows you is that the type of aggression that price is looking like. And it will kind of just tell you the story behind how the trade is going to play out. So today, for example, we had a ton of buyer aggression. That's why I told you guys I love the setup. The volume was looking amazing. The size of the candle, the speed of the candle, it looked amazing. All right, and we were also constantly making new highs throughout that entire candle. Right, so I'm like, okay, I'm gonna hold this trade for higher. I mean, I really liked it. And you know, long story short, it flipped from green to red because of the news. So yeah, size matters. In trading, yeah, in trading, yeah, it does. Since it doesn't look like a lot of liquidity was created on the way down, going up would mainly be chop. No, well, no, we do have liquidity actually. We have 110, which is just gonna be this mini pullback right here. We have 151, which is actually where we got stopped out from, right here. Which is, you know, just a mini pullback here in the market. We're gonna target this fair value gap, and we're also gonna target this London high. Our objective for you is gonna be this London high, or for us today. All right, here's a question. What do you think? Um, what am I looking at? What like what are you looking for? What are you looking for? Oh, that's the 1 minute time frame. Is it? It is the 1 minute. I mean, you could take that for starters. Be careful though. I mean, you guys know how me and the 1 minute are. I don't really like it too much. It's, you know, I'm not saying it doesn't work. I personally don't prefer it. There's so much going on. It's so much noise. I just can't really, you know. If price does reach the inverse, will you stick the trade because of slow volume? It depends. It depends how we hold up the inverse. If it looks choppy, I'll probably just, I don't know, maybe I'll sit out from it. I don't know. I don't know just yet. But if we do get a nice impulse above it, then yeah, I'll take it. I'll take it. Now it's gonna be it's kind of gonna be me versus time. In this case. Um so yeah, hopefully it plays out pretty quick. Hopefully. But we'll see. We'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. But so far, it's just a slow grind up. And I mean, we're expecting that. Not only are we approaching lunch hour, but once again, guys, we have Opex today. So it can get a little bit ugly here, you know? Bro, you could have packed. I know, bro. Bro, Krabby, can you entertain the chat while I go pack, bro? Like real shit. Thank you, bro. Hold up. Wait, bro. Hold on, I'm back. I'm back. Bro, my for some reason, my YouTube doesn't pick up like the Discord audio. I don't know why. Hold on, let me check something. Um, yeah, it's so weird. I don't get why. Oh, wait, hold up. Default. Do this fuck anything up? Talk?
Yo,
Talk?
yo.
Oh, there we go. Okay, now YouTube can hear you. All right, bet. Bro, you know, for like the last 2 months that you've been talking on stream, YouTube has never heard you. So it sounds like I'm talking to myself.
Oh,
Yeah. Okay, YouTube, now you guys can hear Krabby.
what's
Bro.
good? What's good? Krabby, would you be
Okay,
incorrectly sizing the same amount of money per trade?
Okay, I'll be back.
200 points and only using $300. Bro, focus on objective. Don't even focus on that. You guys are trading too much. You guys are looking at your P&L too much. I'm gonna be very honest. Stop trading your P&L. That's just my advice. Okay, realistically, how long is David gonna be gone for? Because if you guys have questions, you can shoot him. I don't really mind. It's draw. Objective is draw. Price has an objective. You need to identify that. How do you have so much aura? I don't know. Can we see your face? Yeah. You guys actually want a face reveal? All right, but don't be weird about it. All right. Don't be weird about it. All right, cool. Yo, Mark, send the picture. You can keep it on there too. Imagine. There you go, guys. WRL, be honest. Everybody put a flame on that. You definitely got aura. How did you meet Blastoise? Discord. Crab, you look Albanian? I am Albanian. You seem chill. Thank you, bro. Yeah, that's a Goyard body bag. They're more popular like in overseas, not really as much here in Canada or America, wherever you live. GG's, bro. You guys got definitely got fucked up. Krabby fitted. Voice matches his face. I thought Krabby was fat. Definitely not, bro. Come on, guys. You're better than I thought? Obviously, guys. Come on. For some reason, I thought you had blonde hair. No. You're Canadian? No. I just live here. I thought you were going to be skinny blonde. No. Nah, definitely not, guys. Come on. When are you moving to the US? Probably never. I'll probably go overseas. I feel like I'm learning your setup day by day, and it's playing out nicely for me. I'm able to catch faster trades with a pinpoint accuracy. Krabby, I'm on my 3rd winning trade. Damn, bro. Good stuff. I thought you were a girl. LOL. There you guys go. I was waiting for that edit. W edit. Where are you planning to move? Probably Dubai right now. Definitely not SD, definitely not. Bro, you guys are funny. Wait, did you guys expect like a nerd with like glasses, blonde hair? Like what did you guys expect? Yes? Come on, man. Come on. Why are you staying in Canada, not the States? Because I don't know. I just live here. I expected a white chubby kid. Definitely not. Did you watch the hockey game? I saw clips about it. Not really a fan of hockey. I know how you look like, Krabby. Wow, bro. I knew you wasn't fat. Obviously not. Yo, how old are you guys? How old are you guys? Be honest. How old are you guys? Type your honest age. 20, 30. Okay, chat's going fast. Okay. Slow down. 22, 20, 18, 17, 40, 30, 30, 47, 19. So it's like mid 20s to 30s. It's around that range. How long? Okay, realistically, what's your guys' goal? Like, actually. Like, what's your guys' goal? To meet you, all right? Be as rich as Karabi. All right. Anyways, profitable. 10K by 17. Nice. Train to be my job. Nice. I need 40K. You pay taxes in Canada? Yeah, I get cooked. I probably paid. I'd rather not say since I'm on YouTube right now, but yeah. This year 10K a month and understand your setup. There you go, bro.
All right, bro. I finished packing.
Right, financial freedom. My parents are old. I want to be able to take care of their bills. Nice, bro. Nice. Isn't Canada tax 60%? It's like 53 or something like that.
Shows his face? No way. For real?
Yeah, it did. Yeah.
For real?
Yeah.
Oh, you did, bro.
Yeah.
Blood. Anyways, bro, I finished. Bro, I promise you, I grabbed like the first thing I saw, the first 4 clothes that I saw in
Yeah.
in my closet, and I just shoved it in there.
Bro, David, they go, I expected you to be fat. I started dying, bro.
Bro.
Somebody goes, why is Krabby actually good looking? I was dying, bro. Like,
Bro,
what?
that's what I'm saying, bro.
All right, all right, all right. Karabi kind of fine. All right, I'm never posting myself in here again. Are those LV trainers? Yeah.
How far are we from entry? Oh, 50 points. I'll go, yeah. I'm so tired. Dude, I'm gonna knock out that flight. I'm gonna get like those neck things.
Yeah.
The pillow necks. Bro, I'm knocking out.
David,
So,
just fly private.
I'm gonna put some. David, someone said, David, what's the meaning behind blasters? Bro, that's like my childhood, like, favorite, you know? Anyways, are you finding business? I don't know. No, probably not. I mean, dude, it's like a 1 hour flight.
Yeah, it's a waste of money.
Yeah. And oh well, there we go. Back down. Back down.
Somebody said Spirit, David.
No. I think my mom only flights Delta. And yeah, guys, look, everything that we created throughout this last 30 minutes, we just lost it all. Bro, you can't make this fucking price action up, bro. David, we keep rejecting off the 15-minute fair value gap. Would you take that inverse or wait for the 5-minute? Which one are we rejecting? Oh yeah, well, if we're gonna take this one, if we inverse the 15-minute, we're also gonna inverse the 5-minute. So, bro, Krabby.
Bro, that is the weirdest shit I've ever seen in my life.
Dude.
Bro, this chat, I ain't gonna lie.
Judder, yeah, but I'm taking care of them as well. Do you have an LLC? Yeah, I do, bro. We all have to have one. Oh, it's not a must have, but it's you know, you should probably have one. Bro, literally everything all the progress that we made, I thought that we were making progress, we just lost it all. So now we have to slowly grind all the way back up again. We went from 40 something points all the way back down to 80. All right, bro. Gone in 3 seconds. Yep. Just like that. But like on a real note, guys, I actually really want to take this setup. Like, I'm actually really, really liking it. I just don't know when it's gonna play out. Maybe it has to be leave again. All right, bro. What do you write off? You could write off your Apex evals and PA fees. Literally everything, guys. Anything with Apex. If you guys look at it as like, you guys can look at it as a write off. Like, you can write everything off. It's pretty much all a business expense. I want this to hit, bro. Me too, bro. Me too. Did you open? No, I have an S corp. I even have an LLC. What would PTB? It will be the ones up here. So pretty much like any line in between this green box would be yours. Do you have to be profitable to write off your LLC for your LLC? No. You can write off the evals. You can write off the evals and the PAs. I need this trade. Trust me. I really want to give it to you guys. I'm gonna stay on. Obviously till I already packed up. So wait, let me double check. So my cologne, toothbrush, socks, underwear, pants, shirts, shoes. Yeah, what else do I really need? My chargers. That's right, my chargers. I can't forget about that. What's the difference between LLC and S corp? I have no idea. I don't know. That's something that my accountant was like, oh yeah, no, you need an S corp. I'm like, all right, no, let's just do that instead. Nope. Yep. You're right. Yep. You're right.
Bro, I'm hungry.
Me too.
What should I get?
Bro, yesterday, what did I eat yesterday?
Pre-fire.
Bro, I felt so bad yesterday.
Hmm.
Okay, so look, hear me out. So there's just one place by where I live, right? It's like this one block where it's all Italian restaurants, right? And they all sound the same. The same. Like, I'm talking, like, there's like a 1-letter difference, right? So yesterday I was craving pizza, right? And I'm like, you know what? what would be better than some thin Italian style pizza, right? So
Fire, yeah.
you know what I mean? I search up Italian pizza. I know the spot, so I know which one I'm looking for, and there's a few. I'm like, oh, maybe it's the first one, right? So I wasn't even thinking. I just clicked the first one and I called them. I'm like, hey, you know what I mean? I would like to place an order for a pizza. They're like, oh yeah, blah 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 whatever. I'm like, all right, I'm gonna start heading out then. They're like, okay, yeah, we'll see you here in about 15 minutes, right? So remember, all of the names sound the exact same. It's I don't know how to pronounce it, but there's like 3 spots that sound the exact same, right? So I go to the spot and I go into the door and it's all the lady that I was talking to, she was a lady, right? I go in there and it's like a sausage party, bro. It's all guys. And I'm like, oh, how's it going? I ordered a pizza like 15 minutes ago, so I can pay and kind of just pick it up. And they're like, for real? Well, what's your name? Because we haven't had any customers like throughout the past hour. I'm like, oh, it's David. I ordered a pepperoni pizza, right? And he's like, oh, there's nothing here, but we can place the order for you and we could just make it real quick for like 10 minutes. In like 10 minutes, I'm like, sure, right? And then, you know, I waited my 10 minutes or whatever. I'm there just sitting down and I get the pizza and I go to the car and I start eating it because I was going to go to the gym, right? And I start getting called by the spot. I'm like, what? I literally just left it. There's no way they're calling me. So I pick up and it's the same lady. She's like, hey, your pizza's ready. I'm like, what? I just picked it up. She's like, no, you didn't. The pizza's right in front of me. I'm like, no, because I'm eating the pizza. And I'm talking with like a mouthful of pizza, right? And you know, she's there getting mad at me, and I'm like, what do you mean? I'm literally outside. I could see you guys inside. Like, what do you mean I'm not here? And she starts getting super mad, and she's like, you know what? Whatever. And she hangs up. I'm like, bruh, great story. That's what I'm saying, bro. Like, and then look, to take the road to go to the gym.
Yeah.
I start like driving down and it's a bunch of restaurants and I'm there like you know what I mean, there's traffic, so I keep looking around.
Yeah.
And I'm like, wait, this name looks very familiar. And I look at the GPS and I called the wrong spot, bro. Bro, I felt so bad.
Wait, David.
What?
So you want to go up to get pizza?
Dude, I saw the chat, bro. Okay.
Oh my god, I can't with this chat, bro.
Bro. But no, like, bro, I felt so bad because, bro, she was so, like, bro, I probably got her in trouble, bro. And, like, that wasn't my intention, but, like, I already ate the thing. So, you know.
Interesting.
So, bro, I felt so bad, bro. It's been in my mind because, bro, I don't like doing it. She probably thought it was a prank call or something. And I just wasted their time and money and ingredients. Ingredients, yeah. The cheese and the pepperoni.
LOL.
Bro, I felt really bad, bro. And I still do. I'll probably go. I don't know. Bro, but she's like, you know what? Whatever. And she just hangs up. And I was like mid sentence. I'm like, I have the peaks.
Oh my! You said it again,
bro. Right.
Pizza.
How am I saying it wrong? Is it
pizza? Pizzas. Like
that's what I'm saying.
No, you're saying pizza.
Yeah, that's how I say it.
Anyways,
no one has ever told me anything on how I say it.
Well, your chat notices every little detail, so. Like one little stutter, they're on your ass.
But yeah, dude, I felt so bad. Nah, but it's not a big deal, right?
Nah, no, hell no. What?
Bro, I'm sure they just ate it. I'm sure she was eating. Like, she ate it right after that call. I know that. Because I'm pretty sure when that happens in places. Oh, and bro, she was asking for my card details on the phone. I'm like, what? No, I'll just pay in person. That was weird. That was really weird.
I think they do that, but I don't know.
No, I promise you, bro. I ordered like takeout all the time. They never asked for my.
Wait, David.
For my thing. What?
When you go out to eat, do you put your card down beforehand so it looks like seamless or no?
What do you mean? Like when it's time to pay?
Yeah.
Like yeah. I always have that shit ready. Yeah.
You just you just leave.
What do you mean I just leave? I'm not gonna leave my card there.
Chat, you guys know what I'm talking about or no? Like you put your card down beforehand, you just leave.
Dude, how are you gonna get your card? Hello? You're not just gonna leave your card there.
Oh, yo, this kid is. Oh my god, David, you put your card down, your information, and they already have everything in place. So it's like super seamless. It's super fire.
No, bro, they're gonna have my card information. Fuck that.
It's a business. Every business has your card information.
Mm.
What are you talking about?
Nah, bro. Remember what happened at Nobu? Bro, never again, bro. I'm never going to that place. That place sucks. No, you know what's one thing that I kind of consider a flex? Bro, when I go out, I never look at the bill. Is that cool?
Are you sure? Why are you flexing on us,
I'm
bro?
not. Cause I go out to eat by myself, like most of the time. Or if not, if it's like with my friend or with my mom, and I always pay for them. And it's like bro, like $20, $30, but it's cool. Like, you know, if someone's looking at me, they're like, oh wow, you know what I mean? It's pretty impressive. But it's like $20. Dude, the food here in Miami is so mid for like.
Bro.
All right, bro. Like, bro.
Like what?
Nah. Mo, that's too far, bro. Hell no. Bro, the first thing, bro, Krabby, when I go to the stores, I'm like, oh,
Yeah.
How much is this? And they're like, oh, it's right there. Bro, I look at it, I just walk away.
Bro.
Dude, I just walk away, bro.
You're funny as shit.
What's your go-to spot? Bro, in Miami, there's a spot called Rusty Pelican. Bro, I go there like 3 times a week.
Bro,
It's
just
far, though.
leaking where he's at.
What?
Nothing.
Nah. Bro, you're right, bro. Bro.
You be leaking shit, bro. You're a little too open.
Nah, bro. People in here, bro.
Still.
And I go at like 3 to 4.
Okay.
No, I'm just kidding.
All right. This kid is.
Bro.
Bro.
Anyways.
Somebody said I'll see you today. Wait, David, I heard you're a big tipper.
Yeah, right. Bro, okay, I got another story. Bro, you know one time I got robbed by that same exact restaurant?
Okay.
Dude, it was so bad. Bro, the guy, I'm there being sat down and everything, and the guy's like, oh, can I interest you with some water? I'm like, yeah, let me get just, he's like, bro, he asked me, he doesn't give me an option for tap water. He's like, still or sparkling, and I hate sparkling, right? So I'm like, oh, just the regular water. You know what I mean? Like, and I guess he's like, okay, and he comes out with like this fancy ass bottle, and I'm like, he just pours it in. I'm like, all right, I don't really think, I guess it's just for the experience, right? You know, just regular water. You can't, bro, it's water. You know what I mean? Bro, the bill comes in $11 for one little glass of water. I'm like, wait, I'm like, what is this? And he's like, you asked for water. I'm like, yeah, it's water. I'm not gonna pay $11 for water, especially for a glass of water. And bro, he looks at me, he starts giving me attitude, and I'm like, all right, you want to play him? All right, give him 0 tip. Bro, he gives me the meanest face ever, bro. I just walk out.
$11?
$11 for look. Even if I want, if anyone in their crazy mind wants to pay for water, $11 is still crazy. Like maybe $5 for a glass of water. $11, bro. $11. Yeah, I checked the bill. That shit was crazy. Dude, what would have been a $30 meal turned into like $45. And I'm like, bro,
wait, David.
What?
I thought you say you don't check the bill though.
No. Bro, I checked that one time, bro. Something was off because, like, you know how they have like that little like square little device thing where you just like Apple Pay and shit. Bro, it was said $45. I'm like, what? So I look at the receipt, $11 for water, bro. I'm like, nah, like take this out, bro. It's water. I don't care about that shit. And he's like, no, sir, you drank it. I'm like, all right, bro. You know what? I give him 0 tip. Cause that's what you get for lying to me, bro. Cause he said, I promise you, bro. He said still water or sparkling water. He never gave me the option for tap water. I'm like, all right, well, if those are your only options, I guess just the regular water, because I don't like sparkling, right? Boom, $11. Gone.
Oof.
Bro, I could have used that shit for like dessert or something, bro. No, it goes into water.
Somebody said $11 toilet water. Was it tap water or was it like nice?
Dude, it tasted like regular ass water, bro. Like, I'd rather drink tap water than that shit. So now, going forward, I promise you, every time I go to a restaurant, before they even say, oh, can I get you still? No, give me tap water. Every single time. Why would you drink? Bro, because it's water, bro. Like, I'm not going to pay $11 for water. I don't care. Do you like bubble baths?
Yeah, guys, I don't care how rich you are. $11 for water is actually absurd.
No, the thing is, like, look, I get it. Like, if it's an entire bottle, sure. No, it's a glass of water, bro. A glass. I drank it in like 2 seconds because I was thirsty.
To be fair, I'm not a fan of tap water either, but $11 is too much.
Isn't tap water safe to like drink?
Yeah, yeah, oh yeah. Well, it depends what state you're in. I think.
Yeah, I mean, tap water tastes like I promise you, bro. Like Fiji, look, you give me Fiji water or whatever high quality water there is, and you give me tap water, I won't know the difference.
It's not meant for you to notice the difference.
I don't fucking know. Like, bro, imagine you're paying $11 for water. Like, there better be something that I'm benefiting from. You know, taste buds. Nah, maybe Miami just has clean water. I don't know. Yeah, no. Look, when you get every time I say, "Oh, I'm gonna go get water," like on the stream, I always get like these. I don't know if you guys can hear it. I just get
yeah,
water bottles, but yeah.
So this is what our lives come to when price just doesn't move.
Yeah, bro. Fucking horrible. Look at bro. Yeah, guys, I don't even if we do get this trade, we're gonna have to hold it through this chop.
Wouldn't even touch this, to be honest.
Blasted fucking sea turtles. Look, bro, it doesn't matter whether I drink out of plastic waters or not, people are still gonna do it. So you get what I'm saying? It's dead water. Most areas have dangerous amount of activities. Nah, bro, now you guys are scaring me from bro. Yeah, no, guys, this chop is really bad. The thing is, I look, I don't want to end the day red. I'm barely red, and I'm sure you guys are too. But it sucks. You know what I mean? I don't want to go into the weekend knowing that I gave out a losing trade on a Friday. But yeah, I'm gonna see how this. I'm gonna sit through the setup to see if it even plays out. I'm gonna give it to like 12, maybe 12:30, and then I really gotta go. What is next week's schedules look? We're trading every single day next week, same time, same everything. We're fine for next week. This week was a pain in the ass, and we can all agree to that. Now, surprisingly, we did better than expected. Because I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I didn't even think I was gonna put out a single trade this week. But we got 2 really nice trades, and then obviously 1 decent trade, which didn't even play out. But next week, here, let me show you guys. Here, let me screen share everything. Next week we're looking at a okay, so Monday, no news. So Monday, you know what I mean, it's a hit or miss. It could be good, it could be bad. We don't know. We're gonna see. Tuesday, we're gonna be trading at 10 a.m. because we have a red folder at 10. Wednesday, we should be good. You know, nothing crazy going on. You know what I mean? Nothing. Right. So we should be able to trade right off open. Thursday, normal day. Friday, normal day. Finally, we have a normal week next week. All right. So yeah, we should be good for next week. Now, next week. Oh yeah, we look fine. Yeah. Oh, we have what is it? What is it called? NFP. NFP. We have NFP on Friday. So Monday, 10 a.m. news. Tuesday, no news. Yeah. So next week looks good. Okay, that's good. How about next week? Okay, now this is when it starts getting a little bit ugly. Okay. So yeah, we're pretty much set for. No, bro. What? No, bro. Anyways, I want to say that are we selling off, bro?
No.
Pretty much, we're set for next week. Yeah. But yeah, let me see. No, Evo, I'm not. I'm gonna take my L for the day and just head out. Yeah, bro. Honestly, that's, you know what I mean, probably the best thing. All right. Are you a partner with Apex? No. Apex doesn't even know I exist. Apex doesn't know any of us exist. I'm pretty sure the only person that's partnered with Apex is someone said it ain't the waiter's fault. I mean, bro, I don't know, bro. I don't know. I was mad at this at the time. I don't know. No, I think the only person partnered with Apex is Patrick Werland. Tori trades? No, I mean she doesn't even trade prop firms. But yeah, no, guys. Yeah, Tori trades. I think she is partnered with them, but she doesn't even trade them, so that's not even a good partner. I mean, like the whole point of that is to promote the product. She's not even doing that. He gave away more accounts yesterday. Bro. Have you tried Hell's Kitchen? Yeah. It's actually really good. Not the best one I've had, but it's up there. It's up there. Hey,
Wait,
bro.
when was the first time you tried it?
Oh, with you. I tried it 2 times. Wait. Hey, bro. One of the charts that you guys take the L today. We ended up taking the L right here. We were gonna take this inverse off this London low sweep, which is amazing. Was it here? It was here. Yeah, we took this inverse right here. We saw 20 points and we got sold out. So we got the entry at around 9:45 today, around here. What would have been a quick day turned into this. So yeah, not the best day. Not the best day. Yeah. So first L of the week. First L in like what, the last 2 weeks, maybe around there. I'm not mad about it. Honestly, I'm really not. I liked what I saw. Didn't work out. We move on. We move on.
To the next.
On to the next. Exactly. You can't be mad about it. Also, we did size down that one, so I guess that's kind of why I'm not annoyed at the setup, because we barely lost anything. How much did I lose from it? I'm currently down 310 from it per account. 310. Nothing crazy. So one winning trade, I promise you, I can probably make double that. But we're waiting on the winning trade, which I don't know if we're gonna even get today, because I mean, look at the price. Are you up in the week total? Yeah, I am, from the Tuesday trade, the 80-point trade. That thing paid. Nothing crazy, but you know what I mean. We're green from that. We are green from that. Next week is gonna go crazy. I'm gonna make sure it is. Yeah. Call the market makers, bro. At this point, I don't even think that's gonna work. If I could, you know what I mean. It's just Opex. We're probably gonna chop out. You know what I mean, manifesting a good week next week. I'm gonna make sure we get it. Not only do we have a 5-day week, but we don't have any news that's really messing us up. The only thing that can really mess us up is Trump, and he probably will. But we'll see how that goes. We'll see how that
Probably
goes.
will.
But wait, bro, one of my what is it, mentees, right? The people that you teach, bro. He got a payout today. Sick. He got one.
Say where's my cut at? 50%.
Yeah, that's what we agreed on, bro. Like, you have to send that shit over. Nah, I'm just kidding. But yeah, let me see. He said, because I actually want to show you guys, just so you know, I should show you guys. Wait, let me screenshot my entire screen. Bro, he said here, I've been trading for over 2 years now, and I've been unprofitable since. I continue to preserve and took the risk of buying. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna promote anything here. So we're gonna ignore this part. But I mean, it shows something. You know what I mean? Since then, he's been mentoring me, and I finally started to understand how the market works with a reliable strategy. I received my first payout, and is due to his guidance and help. Obviously, no promotion. I'm just reading the message. You know what I mean? Okay, well, no promotion. I'm gonna ignore this. He's a son of guy, and I hope he continues to prosper. God bless. This is what makes me happy, guys. These payouts. You know what I mean? I really like seeing this. So I think he traded like 3 accounts. MF, I don't know if you're in here. But yeah, that's huge, bro. Huge. WWs. Anyways, get the setup, bro. I can't move the market, bro. I can't move the market. Let me see, bro. I knew it. The market is doing the same exact thing as it did yesterday. Huge sell-off during the New York Open. And then chop all day. Yep, that's kind of. Hopefully, it's not. I don't think it's gonna be like that next week, but we're gonna see, man. We are going to see. Bro, do not, bro. My heart dropped, bro. Bro, do not do that again, bro. I know I should inspect that in a minute. Anyways, David, have you ever thought about using order flow? No, I don't really think I need it. It's not something that you need. You know what I mean? Like, it can help you out, but for what? Logging off, can't be bothered. Yeah, look, if you guys want to get off, honestly, I don't want to say end off on red, but it's better than, you know what I mean? I don't want to put you guys in a PM. Maybe. Keep in mind, if I do PM, it's gonna have to be at the airport. You know what I mean? It's going to have to be at the airport. So I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna end up going through with it. Krabby's telling me otherwise. We don't know.
Just enjoy your weekend, bro. Does.
Yeah. I'm not sure here. Not even expecting trading. Yeah, me neither. I had high hopes for this little push up here, and then we just lost it all in 2 seconds. So, Like I said, I'm not really mad about the L today. I just want to review where we went wrong. Like I said, I really like I'm like 90% sure or 95% sure that Trump messed us up. All right, Piran. Do you have to reach the 2K mark on the PA in order to freeze the drawdown? Yep. So once the account goes above $52,000 in profit, your drawdown will stay frozen at $50,100. So yeah. Bro, let me see. I didn't know you were still live. I've been seeing this reject. Bro, yeah, no. X, I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. We're probably not gonna get anything. Going forward, like it's super slow, super slow. But yeah. Like I said, I'm gonna get off at 12. So in 10 minutes, if we don't, I doubt we see anything in 10 minutes. So we're gonna see. In the meantime, I'll just stay on to chat. You know, if you guys have any questions, you guys let me know. You know what I mean? Before I guess anything. Where am I going? I gotta go to North Carolina again. But it's only gonna be for the weekend, so it's not gonna mess up any stream schedule. It's not gonna mess up any trades. We'll be fine on that. What would it take to set up a Blastoise trades conference in Miami, bro? Never say that shit again, bro. Bro, why not? I mean, bro, I'm no one like that, bro. I promise you, I'm just a regular ass guy. Exactly. We're here, bro. Like I promise you guys, meeting me is not gonna change your life. I'm not anyone like that. I promise you guys. I'm just a regular ass kid, bro. Bro, we would kiss you and hug you, bro. Oh. Anyways, okay, Blast. Do trade wars and bro. Honestly, you know, bro, Krabby, I've low-key been wanting to do that, bro.
What?
How long have I been trading? 4 years, bro. You know how TGR did this thing called Trade Wars? I don't think he's doing it anymore because it probably didn't end well. But it sounds fun. Bro, imagine you being in voice chat with your members and like they're all like trading against each other.
Oh, that either go really well or go to hell.
Nah, knowing this chat, bro, definitely
Go to hell.
Yeah. Bro, the fights that it will spark up. Oh, you inverse me. Oh, la, la. Bro, I already know how it's gonna go, bro.
Yeah.
Let me see. Blastoise / Krabi trades. I'm at $49,000 on 3 eval accounts. How long can you help me? Wait, how long can you help me get it passed and have a payout? I mean, bro, in its own time, bro. Don't really focus on rushing the process. I mean, bro, just take the trades with your normal sizing, and you know what I mean, as you go on, bro, you'll be fine. Day by day. Remember, this is not an overnight process. This is not a process gonna take a week, a month, or maybe even a year. Give it time. You gotta give the winner something. Well, obviously, yeah. But I already know it's not gonna end well. Bro, pure. But I am too, bro. Trust me. I am too. You ever trade off diversions? Not off of it. I use it, but I don't really trade from it. Bro, Helms. Bro, you're not the only one, bro. Bro. Why is Evo? I don't know, but I don't really like. I'm just here to have fun, bro. I don't really let it get to me. Do you go live every morning? Yep, at 9:45. 9:45. Now I am planning on going live a little bit earlier, and I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. There's nothing that I do in those first 15 minutes of the market. Sometimes I just don't want to get up from bed. Sometimes I'm just what's it called? I'm either waiting for a setup, I'm either getting ready, or I just don't want to get up from bed. So I just go live at 9:45. It just gives me like that extra 15 minutes to just like wake up. And either way, guys, what are the chances we get a setup in the first 15 minutes of market open? Typically never. How old am I? 19.
Damn, you 19 now? You're getting old.
Yeah, bro. Dude, it feels like I was 16 like 3 years ago.
Oh god.
Have you considered adding another strategy on top of the one that you currently use? No. There's no point of me doing that. At least not now. Look, if market conditions they change, it will happen. But in the meantime, this strategy is here to stay. I'm gonna, you know what I mean? 2 years, Pedro. 2 years. Bro, Krabby, you know what I'm gonna put him on my Instagram bio? $1 million funded trader.
I see.
Six-figure funded trader.
Hey guys, I'm funded with $5 million, no payout. Like,
But,
shut up, bro.
You know who did that? Keyflow. He said $1 million in funded. Like, bro, that's like $100, bro. That's $100 of accounts.
Bro, you just buy like what is it? 300K accounts?
Yeah, like $100, bro. Dude.
That's funny.
So stupid, bro. And people do that like for real.
And like, oh guys, I'm funded with 10 million.
But you know what I did when I got my first funded account? I printed out the certificate.
All right.
No, I mean, bro, I have it in my closet. Bro. Next day I blew the account, bro. I promise you, bro. I can show you the timestamp of my Apex account, bro. I paid for it. Next day, right off open, it was gone. It took like 2 weeks to get it passed, bro.
You were like probably so proud. Oh my god, I'm gonna get a payout.
Dude, I promise you, because that's when I used to trade gap fills. Bro, the market dumped on me. I lost that account in blink. That was the 100K account. So when you lose $625 on the account, it's gone. Bro, I promise you guys, I entered a position. I look away for like 2 minutes because I was doing something. I come back, the account is gone. 2 weeks of work, gone. I still have the certificate, bro. I have it in my closet.
Stop filled.
You see, I'm not the only one. Look, this guy hung it up and everything.
I mean, yeah, if you're proud of it, sure.
Yeah, if you're proud of it. There's nothing wrong with it.
Remember,
nothing wrong with it.
You can full port news and pass the account. Like the payout you should frame if you want, like your first payout ever. Frame that.
Yeah. Bro, I'd much rather frame a payout than a diploma. Fuck that shit.
Obviously, what? Obviously.
Let me see. Dude, that's so real. Getting those funded accounts make you so confident. Yeah, and then you lose it. I've lost more than 3K on accounts. Bro, you're fine. Trust me. It's a process. Now, obviously, after every account that you lose, make sure you know why you're losing it. Don't just gamble accounts just because and keep making the same mistake, because then you're going to be in a never-ending cycle. Who passes an EVA and frames it, put in the work to get it? Yeah, exactly. There's nothing wrong with framing it. I mean, I was super proud of it. And I'm sure all of you guys are proud of it when you guys pass an account. I mean, it's like the best feeling. It's literally the best feeling in the world. Like, once you see that 53K hit on that account, bro, it's like 1,000 pounds just got lifted off your shoulder. I'm not the only one that feels that, right? I promise you guys. And for the people that haven't passed just yet, and keyword yet, because I know you guys are going to pass it. Bro, guys, it's passing the account. In my opinion, it feels like it's the best feeling in the world. Best feeling in the world. Because it just opens you like to a whole new world of like what you can do. You know what I mean? Like, if you could do it again, that's a payout. You know what I mean? And that can really change your life, you know? I built up 20K in buffer on one of my extra accounts. Should I take the payout or keep the... Bro, obviously take the payout, bro. Why do you need so much buffer for? My problem isn't passing the eval, it's getting the payout I'm having trouble with. Because look, what the issue is you're probably too attached to those accounts. You're too attached to the money. And one thing I always tell you guys is never trade the PNL. The money will follow. You know what I mean? The money will always follow. You guys know the saying that like, oh, if you chase money or if you chase girls, money won't follow you, and then the complete opposite. That's pretty much what it is with trading. The same exact concept. Don't chase the money, chase the charts. When you trade the charts correctly instead of the P&L, the money will follow along. It's just something that's like a reward. You know what I'm saying? So that's the best way I can think of it. I don't think I'm gonna get a payoff for February. I mean,
Who cares? You got March.
yeah, bro. You got March. You got whatever. You know what I mean, bro. They're just focus on just improving. Dude, that picture's so scary, bro.
It's like freaky. It's like weird.
Yeah.
It's kind of disturbing.
Low-key, yeah. Because you mix
Like
like a super cute guy, which is me, with like a guy like Krabby, and they just mix that.
LOL.
Bro. Let me see. I was proud of mine, but I revenge traded after I lost on a trade. That blaster signaled back then and blew my account. It happens. It happens. Now, back then, lucky for you guys, now there's features like a manual or an automatic lockout feature where if you guys catch a winning trade or a losing trade, is gonna close your account for the day. Like you can't place an order. Back then we didn't have that, so revenge trading was a very big problem. But now it's no longer a problem. You guys can fix it if you guys choose to. And speaking of, that's something I was talking about in my mentorship class yesterday on the lockout, the hiding your P&L. It's a big issue. Let me see. I'm down like 1,700 on my first funded account right now. I've had it for like a month and a half though. I just dropped out of college to go all in on trading, bro. Okay, bro. I don't even know what to say. Okay, look, guys. Yeah, it's not the smartest decision. Look, the best thing I can say is, look, if you're young and you want to obviously pursue trading, I'm not gonna say not to, but make sure you always have an emergency fund, always, because obviously trading is not always gonna go in your. I mean, look at us for today. We're red, not super red, but we lost a trade. Bro, make sure you have everything kind of mastered. Make sure you make sure you have the responsibility. That's all I'm gonna say. Never now, if you have a job, do not quit your job to go full in on trade. Not yet, until you see consistency. Because I see so many people do it and it always goes so wrong. Why? I'm not saying that you guys are bad at trading, but okay, look, when trading becomes something that goes from a side hustle into something that you need, that's when emotions really start to kick your ass. You know what I mean? Like, okay, look, let's say for example, let's say you have rent due in 11 days from now, right? 10, 11 days or 9 days, right? And for the month, you're not green. What tends to happen? You get emotional because you don't have an income, right? And you start forcing out trades, pretty much making you keep digging yourself in that hole that you can't get out of. Little do you know, you lose all your money trading, you don't have money to pay the rent, and, well, that's, Hey, David, bro, take it easy, my man. Take it easy. But you guys get what I'm saying? Like, look, when it comes to college, when it comes to jobs and everything, please be responsible when it comes to trading. I get it. A lot of you guys want to make a living off of it. It's for sure possible, but it's a lot. It's a lot. David, I saw it, bro. I saw it. It's not hard to get tilted when you're down bad. It's not hard to get tilted ever.
Even when you're up, yeah.
Even when you're up, yeah. There's times where you could get tilted.
So we just got lucky that we started in high school.
Yeah, yeah. But you guys can. This is a career that you guys can start at any age and not really be limited to it. Wait, Krabby, you started at 15, right? Or 16?
Like 2020, what is it? 2020? 2020, 2021, when like it was popular.
Yeah.
Do you remember 2022 era?
Yeah, Tesla,
like FinTwit, everything.
Yep. Bro, FinTwit was so fire, bro.
Low-key trash now.
Nah, bro, everything is a scam now. You guys still here? Yeah, we're just bored. Doing nothing.
Oh, bro, it's already 1 o'clock. Bro,
shit.
Oh my god.
Dude, I gotta shower and everything, bro.
I gotta eat.
Bro, when's the last time you showered?
Me?
Mm-hmm.
Last night.
For me, it's like 3 weeks ago.
Really?
Yeah.
You nasty.
No, bro, obviously I'm trolling, bro. Let me see, bro. Obviously, I still have a job. I'm not. Okay, that's good. That's good. You know what I mean? That's good. Now, if you look, college is not for. Look, in this day and age, I'm not one to really speak because but I personally don't think college is for everyone. I don't know. I mean, bro, like okay, look, the high paying careers, right? Let's say computer IT, right? Um, bro, it's so like oversaturated that even if you do the most, like let's say, like bro, you do the most of the most. I'm talking community service. I'm talking internships. I'm talking this, bro. You there's still a chance that you don't even get a job because everyone and their mothers is doing it, bro. Like, bro, I promise you guys. Look, I can ask any of my friends. They're all doing the same shit. The computer, IT, whatever it is, the cybersecurity. I asked you guys in here. I'm sure like 90% of you guys are probably studying cybersecurity. Yeah, the job market, bro, it's horrible, bro. Horrible. It is horrible. So I don't know. In this day and age, just because of that, I don't really want to believe in college. Now, obviously, if you want to be a lawyer or a doctor, that's something that you obviously need. But if you want to do anything else, I don't really think you need it. Let me see. I did over $2,000, 2,000 job applications to get what does SW job stand for? Software engineer. 2,000 applications, bro. That is insane, bro. That is insane. I'm a sales agent and a trader. Our generation got yeah. Okay, look. So I'm not saying that the job market is cooked. It's just there's new opportunities, guys. We have the internet. We have the internet. You know what I mean? So it's not the same as it was back then, and I know that. But I mean, you know, it's just I don't know.
Listen. Let me
What's
say
up?
one thing. The good thing with trading, bro, your only competition is yourself. So there's room for everybody to be profitable.
Exactly. Exactly.
With content, guys, you're competing against him. You're competing against that. You're competing against this.
It's
In
whoever can be
sports,
more
exactly.
like creative or original. I guess.
Exactly. Listen, like in sports, compete against this team. Like you gotta literally compete against like top tier people that are like they would die for this shit. But in trading, I swear to God, it's just you versus you. That's the good part. This is why you can like actually do something with this career because it's like possible. Now, don't get me wrong; it's like one of the most difficult
It's
careers
hard as
on
shit. It's
earth.
probably
Yeah,
I personally believe it's the hardest career mentally, not physically. Mentally the hardest career that you can ever have.
but like
Like
that's the good thing. You don't compete against anybody, bro.
exactly. And look. Also the good thing about it is, bro, the life lessons. And look, I don't know. I don't want to sound corny or anything, but like actually, the life lessons that you guys learn from trading is insane. The discipline, the patience. I mean, what else? I kind of like just like blanked out. Okay, wait. Patience, discipline. You just learn more about yourself, pretty much. That's what I'm trying to say. Um, bro, name two things. Dude, I don't know. You guys get the point. Maturity, yeah, I guess so. Yeah, that works too. I mean, we're still kind of in the works with that in the chat. But what are your thoughts on the 15-minute fair value gap, bro? We've been waiting like 2 hours for this gap to get inversed, and we're not even near it. This chart looks depressing. What is it doing? Absolutely nothing. Being content, freedom. That's another one. You know what I mean? Mindset, being humble, because the markets will humble you no matter what. Blast, do you ever trade without us? No, I don't. And look, I'm gonna be as transparent as I can. Look, if I like a setup, obviously I'm gonna give it to you guys because that's why you guys are here. But I will never miss out on an opportunity to promote. That's how it is. That's the business model. You know what I mean? Like, why would I take something for myself that I like that I can also promote it? You get what I'm saying? Time spent exactly. I mean, look at me today. Like, I'm literally flying out like just randomly to see my cousin. So yeah. Can I buy my son an Apex account under his name? He
No.
has to be 18. Yeah, he has to be 18. They don't have to say out loud. Say what out loud? What I say? Freedom? What? Let me see. Why did you stop doing content on TikTok and Instagram? Oh, the promotion? Nah, bro. Everyone knows that. I mean, I literally tell you guys all the time, like, post on the Win channel so I can put it out there. You know what I mean? It's how the business model works. We all know this. I'm sure you guys are not that dumb. Anyways, Blast, do you gamble? Anyways, did you get started with a live account at 15 under my mom's name? What is it, like a custodial account? I think it's called something like that.
Custodial.
Yeah.
I had one too.
Yep. Anyways, bro, I stopped doing Instagram and TikTok, bro. Look, I get it. That's how you grow a brand. Look, I'm very very camera shy, and I know it sounds like the most childish thing to say when it comes to business, but I just don't like. Bro, when I was doing Instagram, I felt miserable, bro. TikTok and Instagram, I hated doing it. I don't like doing it. So what I do? Well, I thought about other ways to promote. I found RP. I grew myself there, and here you guys are. You get what I'm saying? You don't need to do face content. I know. I know. Like just making the video in general, like talking to the mic and everything. I just don't like doing it. I hate it. I hate editing. I hate recording. I hate all of that. I just don't. It's not. You know what I mean? I just don't find myself happy doing it. Why NQ not ES? Because ES is the choppiest thing on this planet. Super slow. Dude. But yeah, let me see.
What am I reading, bro?
Yeah. I don't know.
Bro.
Let me see. I still live with my parents, so I'm good. Yeah, then you're fine. You're fine. You're fine. But look, bro, as long as you hold like something that will give you like that backup income, you could do trading as much as you want, bro. And look, I'm gonna tell you guys this right now. What was I gonna say, dude? My mind blanked out again. I completely forgot what I was gonna say. Yeah, forget it. This is what you get for making premium $20 a month. I know, bro. I know. I look. I'm gonna start doing these discounts. Like, actually, I think I do them too often. Anyways, can we take a 940 reversal? Nah, bro. The only level that we have here to work with is 951, and we're barely like holding it. So it's either gonna be barely a PM session or just no trades at all anymore. Yeah, take a break. No, I'm taking a big break with the discounts. I'm done with that. Speaking of, let me turn it off right now. Hold on, let me answer this question in the chat. Bro, I told myself I was going to get off 10 minutes ago, and here I am, doing absolutely nothing. Is $400 enough for a live account? I'm trying to get a payout immediately. Neat, bro. I don't know. Look, the thing is, I don't even know if you're trolling or not. That's the thing. I don't know if you're trolling. Like, bro, gotta be trolling. I mean, bro, you'd be surprised. You'd be surprised. Oh, trolling with not about the 400. No, bro. If you're gonna do a live account, do like $1,000 minimum, 1 to 2K, 1 to 2K. Steph, I don't know. I don't want to know. Is $3.45 enough for a live account? Bro, okay, guys, look. Are you guys on the call live? Because nothing's gonna happen for the rest of the day, and we know this. Opex, choppy market, we know it. Call it, yeah. What's a good sizing for a live account? It depends how much you want to risk. And here, actually, that's a question that you should be asking yourself, not me, because obviously everyone has a different risk tolerance. So is it losing the account as a trading? No, it's not. It's not. DM me. 1K is not 1 micro. It's $100. One mini is $1,000. Right? Yeah. 1 mini is $1,000. Oh, you mean risk percent? Oh, okay. But yeah, guys. Yeah, I suggest you guys get off the market. Get off. Look, if you guys are red, shit happens. I promise you guys, or not promise, but I'm gonna make sure we make it back next week. All right, guys. Just somewhat of a. I'm gonna say today was bad. It's just price very slow, very slow. Next week looking good from the looks of it, yeah. But we're gonna see. We have to be in next week to know. You know. But yeah, guys, peace out. Guys, have a safe and blessed weekend. Get off the charts like completely. Don't even bother getting back on today. I doubt anything's gonna happen. If it does, obviously I'll be on the charts. I'll let you guys know. But in the meantime, guys, go enjoy your Friday. All right, get off the charts. All right, guys. But yeah, next week I'm gonna make sure that we have a good week next week. This week was pretty decent. For the conditions, we did pretty good. Today, It was a red day, but it's fine. I mean, it's a small red day. We had our setup, didn't work out. It happens. All right, guys. So yeah, next week we're gonna make sure to make that back and more. All right. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get off then. All right. Peace out, Krabby. Peace out, chat.
Peace out, bro.
Peace out,
Peace out,
guys.
guys.
And YouTube, guys. I hate to say it, but yeah, today was somewhat of a red day. It happens. I mean, we can't be mad about it. We had our setup, we had our confirmations. It looked perfect, and something messed it up, which I'm going to review over in the Discord. So if you guys do want to join, guys, click the first link in the description and use code 60 for 60% off any premium upgrade. I'm gonna go ahead and turn off that discount later today, so take advantage of it while you still can. All right, guys. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get off. This market not worth trading. All right, I'm gonna take my $300 L and just go on about my day. All right, guys. But yeah, I'll see you guys on Monday then. All right, guys. I will be live trading at 9:45 a.m. EST. So I'll see you guys then. All right, guys. Peace out.